everyone. Welcome to the third episode of the Ravan Show. And today's topic of discussion would be India's independence, expectations versus reality. So we chose this topic as we have just celebrated India's 74th Independence Day. So let me introduce our panel. We have our friend Saurabh again and Gagandeep Singh and
Hello.
your hosts Abhishek Purohit and Rahul Yadav. So let's start the debate with Saurabh Gupta.
Sure. Thank you, and thanks again. I think it's really a pleasure to be part of this initiative and be able to express our thoughts week on week. So, as you rightly said, Rahul, we have started gathering our thoughts or discussing about India's independence. But before we start, I just wanted to say, I just wanted to have a special mention of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who I believe is the man behind the success of the Indian cricket. I know it's not about cricket, but I suppose the champion, made the game what it has become today in our country. So, and he's recently announced his retirement yesterday. So, congratulations to him, on my behalf for a fantastic journey and for a fantastic career. So, I thought I just mentioned it right at the start of the call.
Yeah, sure. And on behalf of our panel,
of a panel
from
also
everyone.
Yeah.
and from the team
So,
now.
coming back to India's independence, right? I think it's a very interesting topic because what actually independence is to you could be different from people to people. And the way I see it, if I am living in an independent country, especially who've now gone, we achieved independence in 1947 thanks to the sacrifices of so many people, who've they laid their life, their blood, their soul, their money, and I don't know what else. So the expectation would be anyone who's living in 2020 that you would have come very far from where you began in 1947. So I would like to say that India has come quite a lot of quite far in terms of we have developed in our science capabilities, we have developed in our defense capability, we have developed in our sporting capability, not all round, but we have made a progress. However, the most thing I would say uh, that I see that we haven't been able to develop is for a common man who basically relies on government facilities to lead a good life. That hasn't happened. So what I mean to say by that my expectation as a common man is I should be able to go to any government school. I should be able to walk into any government hospital. I should be able to walk into any government department to be able to get my work done and to be valued as a citizen. I believe that hasn't happened. So the minimum expectation any citizen would have, if you are talking about 2020, which is I think 73 years later after that you've achieved independence, is I believe that is a common man is and the citizen of the country is what makes the country what it has become. They are deprived of the basic facilities even till today. So there lot of development has happened. I think India have made a mark on the globe. We are gonna become, I would say, we are on our journey from a developing state to a developed state. But I think the common man is, I would say, still where it was, when we began our independence journey, and that to me has been, the biggest disappointment of our independence journey. So if you ask my view, I would say I don't think that we quite got the independence yet we wanted.
Okay.
So,
Oh,
Gagan,
okay. Well, I agree with Saurabh in terms of common man things. Yes, we have made mark in a lot of things in sporting culture. Yes, it is a limited thing that maybe we have not come across a lot of things in sports, but we are still we're still good or better than most of the nations. However, as far as common life, common man's life is concerned, yes, it is a concern, and with population thing coming in, it is now becoming huge because people earlier did not think how we are going to be in future in around 2020. So we are actually paying the price for that, and because of this population thing, a lot of things are creeping up. As Saurabh mentioned that we are not able to walk into the government. institutions, be it hospitals or be it any schools or be it anything like where you can get those facilities. Reason being, first, they are not maintained. Secondly, population does not allow you now. Either they are reserved for some people who are maybe from the political backgrounds, or and what is the difference if they are from political backgrounds? The same hospital or the same institution has got some other sort of display for them. Display by I mean that there is hygiene being maintained for them. As if I see even for aims for that matter, if you take aims for that matter, it is completely different for a common man, I believe. I don't think it is justice to a common man. I don't think this is complete injustice.
Mm.
Common man's life is deteriorating day by day, I would say. We are fighting for our bread and butter. Reason being, we are populating ourselves. There is no place to move, means you can't use pedestals, let alone
Mhm.
walking on them. You can't walk on them. So how are we crowded? And when these things come up, obviously the corruption would be there. Who wouldn't like why I wouldn't like my son to be going into a top government school? but i cannot but I cannot, just because somebody else has paid much more money than me. So
Mhm.
this is
Mhm.
all because the root cause is our population. Now it has become a root
Mhm.
cause now. In last 20 years, in last 2 decades, we have grown like something, means we are sitting on a bomb. I would say we are sitting on a bomb. It will explode more than those man-made bombs. This is a bomb that we are. This is also a man-made bomb, but we are sitting on something which is not exploding as of now, but it will in future. Where will, if something is not done now, I believe we will be in very big problem. Our
Okay,
next
so
generation will take.
um,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, so I can see both of you agree on certain issues, and one of them
Mhm.
is condition of the common man. So
yeah.
I can ask Saurav first. What do you think where we went wrong? Like, did we start well, or we went wrong in the middle or somewhere? So what do you think where we went wrong?
Yeah. So I think 1947, when we achieved independence, we had a blank canvas, and we could have drawn it the way we wanted to draw, right? And then we I would also say that there are a lot of things that happened. So some milestone would be that, again, it would not I would not call it a milestone, but ultimately there are a lot of things that happen which shouldn't have happened. Take an example of emergency. Let's just say that in an independent country, and then I think emergency, correct me if I'm wrong, it was imposed somewhere in 1984. So after, I would say, after more than 30 years,
1975.
30, 30, 75.
1975.
So sorry.
1975.
So yeah, so 75, right? So even we were close to 30 years of being an independent, nation. And even then we had to like impose emergency. So what that explains to you is the whole mindset. So I think where we went wrong is from the very beginning, whereas I think nobody thought about how are we going to make our nation great. So we don't obviously want to talk about partitions and all, because I certainly feel that we laid a wrong foundation of this country by actually allowing something like a partition, because we're still, that is still biting us in our backside even today. And not only us, our neighbors as well. It's the same thing with them. Then I think the second thing which went wrong was that I don't think anyone who was in power at back in the day, when we were not as much as what we are today, they just thought about, I think, how they're going to grow their political career, how they're going to grow their income, and how they're going to make sure that like it all surrounded, uh, I would say, surrounded around a particular family, or a particular group of people, instead of thinking about how we're going to make the nation great. So how we're going to create opportunities that, let's say India is full of resources. So how we're going to how we're going to let's say consume our natural resources, or make any sort of, I don't know, any sort of opportunity, or create any sort of opportunity with the resources we had. We were very rich in, I suppose, farming all the time. I think India, as we read in the book Krishi Pradhan Desh, And look at the state of the farmer today. It's actually gone downhill every year. Year on year is good, regardless of the government. So I
Mm.
think we just failed to pick up the basics from the day one. So to answer your question, I think we've gone wrong from the very beginning, and no one has actually looked until now that to actually look at the basic and try to sort out the basics first. We probably, what we do, we try and focus on things which are not that relevant to the common man. Things like your space missions, for example. You spend
Mm.
millions and millions and billions in the space missions. You can launch the same scheme for some poor people, and you can make them better. You can build schools, you can build colleges, you can improve your healthcare. You could do all of that with the cost of a one space mission. But what we do, we just run in some sort of a race that if China is probably leading, I would say, the space missions in Asia, will do the same thing. So we just go wrong in the way that from the beginning it's been wrong, and nobody talks and thinks about the common people, what should happen. And I think we just adjust to that. That's another thing which is wrong. People in our country, we just adjust. We just think that if there is a, let's say, if we are not getting the facility, it's okay. If we are earning less, it's okay. If we don't have the
Mm.
cars and resources, it's okay. We just don't protest. I think we are very happy in in the whatever way or form we are living, and that's been a fundamental problem as well.
But I beg to differ on one of your points when you say that we are spending a lot on space mission and all. So it's been quite a topic of a like everyone wants to talk about this topic, that India being a poor country and still they are spending so much on space space missions. So when our scientists, when our people, they go to NASA, you again criticize them. Then why they are going to NASA? They are not doing anything in our country. When they do that, you say that oh, you are spending a lot on space mission when you can build hospitals, schools, etc.,
Correct.
etc. So why this contradiction? And like I guess you know that we have the cheapest space missions in the world,
Mm.
and we do outsource for other countries as well.
And
Yeah,
I actually, sorry,
go on.
and I actually like to differ on many points. There from schools and colleges to hospitals to space missions. Correct. I have a lot of points around that. But I would actually want to give the floor to Gagandeep because he also had some points around which he wanted to what went wrong. What do you think went wrong? And then I'll
Yeah.
just
Well, I think as Rahul said that he begs to differ with Saurabh on that space mission thing. Well, I
mm,
think Saurabh is not actually critically against those things. He's saying, according to our country, those space missions are expensive. We are not comparing ourselves to any. Yes, rat race is there that if China has done something, we will do that. We may be doing that at a lower cost, but why are we not uh,
But
investing more
we
on
have
the
our scientists for a purpose. They are not sitting there to just
absolutely,
to have
absolutely,
government jobs,
absolutely.
nine
I'm
to
not
five jobs.
against those scientists. They work their asses off. Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
But
So
point there is,
we have a
do
separate
do
budget
we
for that mission.
absolutely budgets? That's what I'm saying. More of the budgets, or in terms of defense, or in terms of space missions that we have, are allocated to them. So my point is, are they really working on them? Are those budgets really being spent wisely? Because they are being given in millions and billions in terms of our GDP and all that. So maybe that's what Saurabh was pressing upon. Means
Yeah,
he
I
can
mean, I
he
think
can correct me.
no, I think the point I maybe it came across like that I am against the space mission. So no, my point being is you've got to start with the basics first. So you've got to have clearly laid priorities. What is a
Hmm.
priority for your country? So if what is the priority in 1947? The priority is we've just become independent. We don't know how we're going to function. We don't know how we're going to put India to the world map. We don't know anything. We don't know how we're going to serve a people. We don't know how we want to take our country forward. All those sort of things, right? So the priority should be right from the very beginning. So if I've had all my bases covered, if everyone, I don't have many people living below poverty line, I don't have, problems where, people don't even, I think until very late 1998, we didn't even have a proper cure for polio in our country. Right, there are ladies dying because of lack of hygiene and sanitization. These are very basic things I'm talking about. There are people, children who die straight after getting birth. I think India's mortality rate for infants is now very good in terms of, not many, it's not as compared to some of the other African countries. But I'm talking about the era which is, 60 70 era, which I have not even seen. I was born in 1985. So what I'm saying is you've got to get the basics right, and once you've got the basics right, then I've done a bare minimum job for my country. Now, I've fulfilled my responsibilities towards the common man, and now let me explore. Now let me start to fly. So it's like, saying that you don't even know how to walk and you are started flying. It doesn't make sense to me. So I'm not criticizing that we shouldn't be a space power. Of course we should be. And I think now with all the satellites, and we are trying to like become a superpower in space. But look at, from that space, at least look at the common people who are like worms in earth
But
that you have
yeah, yeah,
created.
Can
So
I,
that's what I'm
can
trying to
I
say.
but
now let me answer all of it, all of the
yeah.
points that I want to deny. Is it okay?
Of
Mhm.
course.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So when India became independence in 1947, we had the economy of we had the GDP of 3%, correct? Or 3% of the whole total world's economy. Right now, as an economy, we are into the GDP as fifth ranking in the world. Correct? Correct. As of now. Okay.
Mhm.
The things that you were telling that we have not done for the common people, there are things that Jawaharlal Nehru has done a lot with the starting itself. They have actually built IITs, and IITs actually produces the top number of engineers over the world, which not only work at great institutes like ISRO, they also are working in something like Microsoft. People are there in NASA, okay, and Google and many more. Correct. We are the top number engineering producers in the world just because IIT. Correct. So education was there. Then we have, when you talk about hospitals, we have one of the best hospitals which actually serves which actually serves millions of people, which is AIMS. Correct. I know it had to be increased more. Correct. But we have AIMS, which is one of the best best medical facilities where doctors from countries, and if you see the doctors of these the AIMS, correct, they are actually invited over various of the conventions in different countries to talk about what they have done, what they are trying to do. Like I know about the cancer specialist who actually works in AIMS and others, correct, which is from one of my friend, Aditya, who actually has contact. So they actually, and then when you talk about the schools, so what I'm really trying to say that we as an economy were 3%, correct? So when Britishers actually left us, it was just minimal, and we not only, there was famine, yeah. How could you actually? How we imported food. Like I'll just give you an example, correct? What do you think? Why Kerala parota is there? Correct? Why Kerala parota? Because people from South India mostly eat rice, correct? But there was such a famine that we had asked US to get us, and they could not import rice, they could only import wheat, correct? And because that wheat has to be distributed all over the country, how people actually started using that wheat. So there was great famine. Even Lal Bahadur Shastri said that Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. There are few of the neighboring countries who were constantly attacking us, correct? And then there was famine where Lal Bahadur Shastri actually grew food or actually did farming on his backyard of the place that he lived. Correct. So think we have done a lot of things. The India's first the India's first project was Bhakra Nangal project, correct? Which is written that, and there is a famous quote also by Jawaharlal Nehru, if you read about it, that he actually went to a woman and said that, what are you doing? So she said that I'm just building up a dam. He said that you're not building up a dam, you're building up a country. Okay. So think about from where we were, okay, and where we are now. We are fifth. Our air force is number two in the world. correct? And when did United States gets its independence? It was 4th July 1776, correct? It got 100 years for them. We are just in 74 and we are over the world top 4 or 5 countries as GDP or in various sectors. We are at the top. And see how the population actually started growing it, correct? So because of the population, which was already earlier too many population, and then there were riots, various things because of the partition that happened. Okay, famine going. So I think we have done a quite good job. But yes, I am not saying that it is sufficient. There is more that we have to do. Okay, India is one of the places where the number of roads are being built rapidly. Okay, I was just reading somewhere. I'm not exact of value, but 2 lakh kilometer of road is being every day, something like that, every month. That was the number, but I'm not exactly sure. So I don't think so. Whatever points that you were saying that we have, and you are talking about the space mission. Yeah. Yeah. Just one thing. How do you think the scientific discoveries are happening? Correct. How do you think the science is actually? How do we do scientific discoveries? How do we actually meter some of the information? Why do you think NASA was built? Correct. It was, I believe that I totally agree with you if you come over to the point that if you want to be a superpower because of the coal power and NASA, but see about the scientific discoveries they have done which have actually benefited us. Correct. On what would be the weather around. Correct. These are all done by the satellites. So if you're saying that ISRO should not be there, you should work for the common man. How would you be actually able to predict some of the weather, monsoons, and other kinds of things? What is coming up, correct? Or over the protection of the India. So ISRO is very important. Rahul, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, so I just wanted to say that these guys, Saurabh and Gagandeep, were talking about condition of the common man and the basic amenities which they've been deprived. So I don't think GDP is the correct parameter to define that. The condition of people is still really bad. We know that the poverty levels in especially in the big cities like Mumbai, even in Delhi, most of the people live below poverty level. So still after 74 years of independence, we cannot provide them shelter, food, or basic amenities. So these guys were talking about that. So I don't think GDP is the correct parameter on that. Like what a rickshawala would do about that GDP. What's his thing on that? He can't
Yeah.
eat.
Can you answer that with a percentage, please? So in 1947, the poverty rate was 70 percentage. Okay, right now the poverty percent in India is 21.1%.
Yeah, but also, in that, that's a very, I would say it's very, the statistics, they sometimes they kind of do smoke and mirrors. In 1947, how much population we had versus how much population we have till now, that also you have to do the comparison in that
That's
perspective,
that's that's why I'm giving
right?
percentage.
Yeah.
That's why I'm
So
giving percentage. So if the percentage was much higher over there, and we have much more population right now, and we are still on to 21 percentage, what do you think has a bigger number of? That means that at 1947 we were totally where our GDP was 3%,
yeah,
where we did not have any information, where our poverty percentage was very less, was very high,
yeah.
70%. Okay, and
So
now
do
it's
you
21.
do you also know the statistics, right? Below poverty line, very interesting one. What was the criteria of somebody to be below poverty line in 1947? And so that's one thing to keep in mind. What is the criteria today? What was the value of rupee in 1947? What's the value of rupee today? So if you proportionate all of that, you will
Yeah,
figure out that
and
the
the
basically the
inflation rate.
measurement we've got to measure the below poverty line is flawed. Yeah, I remember there was a joke around where somebody said that you could actually survive on 32 rupees a month, a family of four. So that is, if that's been our
Yes.
measurement criteria for below poverty line,
Montek Singh
that is,
Ahluwalia. Montek Singh
yeah, Mr.
Ahluwalia was that
Ahluwalia.
guy.
So I'm
Yeah.
afraid to say you are not measuring the right thing. Yeah, I mean, again, what is the criteria? That's a criteria, and we can talk
You
about statistics.
you were
Um,
talking
I'll
about.
just finish it. I'll just finish my point. 2 minutes. So but then what is what is the success criteria? Is what we see around us. I'll give you an example of coronavirus. Right, there was a coronavirus. It's still happening. and there was this massive migration drive, from the laborers who were basically did not have any work.
Mass exodus, right?
And I've seen, because I live very close to national highway, so, and I was also involved with weekend drives to give those families foods and waters and biscuits, and I've seen from my eyes what a pathetic condition they had when they were traveling. It's like, imagine somebody on a cycle traveling with their stuff, with two children, and the family, and they have to like walk 150 kilometers to reach to their village where they'll get something to eat. So if we have millions of people like that, I'm afraid to say that we have failed our country, and that's a
Yeah,
that's a
exactly.
belief based on
This
experience. It's not based
this
on
this
statistics. You go out on the road and you'll figure out what's happening.
especially this COVID-19 situation totally exposed the scenario, the current scenario in India.
Farmers
So
are well, right? You said a lot of things about farmers, and the government promoted crops. We were
I mean, how
importing
can you
even wheat.
imagine like
Now, why so
small
many farmers
small
are dying
children,
then? If
pregnant women walking to like 2,000 kilometers? It's shattering.
Ladies are giving birth to their children on the roads. So you can
yeah, that's
imagine the
happening.
condition,
So
imagine the
And also,
situation they were in.
see what
and
I'm
Absolutely
what
people are
see
dying on
what
the
deplorable.
what
road.
see what I'm really saying is, if there was a name that would have been associated with developed India, you could have called India a developed country, and we could have seen that still, I would have totally agreed with you. But we are still on the verge of being a developing nation. And one point that you were talking about,
Not on the
uh,
verge. We are
oh,
developing nation.
yeah, we are developing nation, and we are on the verge of being developed nation in few years.
So
But
sorry,
one
I
point
don't
that
see
few
that.
years. No,
but
I don't think so.
okay, one of the things that you talked about, the INR versus USD, correct? What is the our value has been constantly being depreciated. In 1947, do you know what was one USD to one IR ratio? 4.16 rupees actually used to make one USD. Okay. And because of the growth of the inflation, because of whatever resource or whatever that we have actually got from the people from the other countries, that's why I know it is increasing continuously. And right now we are on 69.16, I believe. But what I'm really exact saying is that it's just 74 years. You need to give at least the amount of time what you gave to what US has taken of 100 years, correct? So give us 36 years more on to become the number one, correct?
Yeah, I think the problem is not the time. I don't think we are saying that we live in a country we shouldn't have lived. I don't think we're saying that. The problem is, I don't think we have
Access doesn't.
any mechanism or any calculation or any commitment from people who are responsible to take the country forward, that they are on the right track. That has been the biggest problem which I'm trying to raise. Because if you can't look after the common people, you are not going to give me a confidence that, don't worry, today you can drive a two-wheeler, but don't worry, I will make sure that you will have a BMW that you will drive in 30 years' time. That is not happening, because today whatever I used to see 20 years ago, poverty, people struggling for food, there's still so many beggars, there's so many people who sleep I don't know where during the rains. That same things happening even today, and in the proportionate, because and what we're doing, we are also growing year on year. So I don't think I have the confidence that in if we spend another 26 years, this problem that we are talking about is going to be solved.
See,
Hmm.
Gagan.
I exactly forgot the percentage of the middle class family that were there 10 years ago, and what is right now. I do not have that number, but I could definitely say that there is an increase in the number of middle class families, correct? Which means that we are actually growing, and people are now lesser and lesser before the poverty line. I know, and I am not saying that we shouldn't that we there is no chance to grow. There is a huge amount of chance to grow. Okay, there's huge amount of chance to grow. But what I'm really saying is that you need to appreciate some of the facts. Okay, some of the facts that some of the governments have actually done. Okay, like we in okay, do you know that in 1847, the first movement of the 1847 or 1876, I believe, the first feminism actually started in US, correct? In India, just after the independence, just after our constitution was actually born, correct? in 1954 we actually came up with Hindu Civil Code, correct, which actually gave a lot of women right to India, correct, of women right in India, correct. That there was in Hinduism in before 1954, before the Hindu Civil Code, there were actually polygamy that was happening in India, correct. You would had child you and then if any widow, we would have the same thing. What used to happen, correct. I believe there is a point that we should have taken the Universal Civil Code, but in just 6 years and just after 2 years of the constitution formed, we actually came up with Hindu Civil Code, correct, which actually gave so much rights to the women, correct, and that there could be only one marriage system, so all of that. So you need to be bit appreciative, and I totally agree. There are a lot of things that we need to improve of, but be appreciative of things that we have done, the hospitals that we have right now. I know, and I know there are things like our what do you call, government schools are not that good, but there are few leaders like Arvind Kejriwal. If I see what is in the news, that the government schools in Delhi have improved a lot, correct. There are
Controversy
some
alert.
yeah, controversial alert, but that's what I've heard from the news or from his last party slogan or what I've actually heard from it. But there are chances for the improvement and the government will have to. But there are a lot of various
Abhishek,
problems that are coming up.
Abhishek. Well,
Let's go ahead.
there is always a room at the top of improvement, right? So just by saying that we have the room for improvement will not improve anything. The point here is whatever government comes in, at first they come in with few points that they have in their hand, and when they start as soon as they get used to their own comforts, they just tend to forget what they had come in for, and they take up the other issues which will keep them in the government. They forget what they had come for. That's what the problem, that's where the problem lies, I believe. Because when you come up with some sort of things like we have to eradicate corruption from here, and then you don't show up, and you don't show up those statistics, how will those things get eradicated from this society? I'm not pointing fingers at any
Yeah.
particular government here. I'm not pointing fingers, but the point there is these parties or these companies, as Rahul says most of the times, that these are companies who are leading us, who are heading us. So
Hmm.
actually, and there was one big problem which we have not talked about: reservation. It has been in our system for more than 50, 60 years now.
Mm.
Yes, Bhimrao Ambedkar brought this up, but that was brought up for people who were really requiring such privileges. But what are we really doing? This has become a norm
Exactly.
now. Every
Exactly.
community is
Ac-
asking for that.
yeah, yeah.
Every
Actually,
damn community is asking for that.
yeah,
So
yeah.
point here is
So
the other points you mentioned, Abhishek, a little while back, that NASA and ISRO both are important. We are also on the same page, and you also said that those that are we are the country who's producing most of the engineers, and they are sitting in NASA, Google, whatever. Why are we not able to provide them the resources here itself? Why are we not able to provide them resources until now?
at
Why are they
one
moving
point
out?
you are
No,
saying, at
no,
one point you are saying that
just let me complete. Just
at
let me
one point you are
complete.
saying that why do you have ISRO, and then you are saying that why you are not
No,
Yeah,
doing
no,
yeah,
it.
no.
that's
I
exactly
didn't say that.
what I said.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I said that comparing to my own country. I said that, Rahul, that I'm comparing it to my own country when Saurabh mentioned that those things. So that Saurabh in a way said that we are comparing ourselves to when you say that we are the people who are moving out for in NASA, we are the country who's producing more engineers. Yes, but why are they all moving out? Because they're finding resources over there, they are not coming back also. See, this is a brain drain also. This is a brain
Hmm.
drain also. They are
It's a
not
huge,
coming
huge
back
brain
after
drain.
working for certain period of time in those countries. Why are
And
they not coming back? Because they are
and
getting those
it's been
resources
going
over there
on
for living a
since
simple life
ages.
also.
Yeah. And also
Yes, this
another
it is there. It
interesting
is there.
statistic,
It is
right?
there.
We four of us, let's just say between ourselves, four of us, right? We belong to the same, so-called youth group of
Hmm.
the country, decently educated, working in good multinational firms, etc., etc. Have exposure to outside India as well, but
Hmm.
Has anyone of got any interest in doing the government job? No. And why is that's not the case? And that's if four of us have the same thing, just imagine all the other millions of youth like us, they have no interest. Why they
Army
have
is a
no interest?
army is a government job, correct?
I'm just, yeah, exactly. How
Air
So
many
Force,
let
how
me
Air
many
give
Force,
of
you the,
Air
if
Force
that
was
is the
Air Force,
case,
Air
Even
Force was a
ISRO is a
government job,
government
correct?
job.
Correct.
Even ISRO is a government job.
Yeah,
you know,
I'm very
this is
much in,
they.
I am very,
Hmm,
wait. I'm very much
hmm.
interested in working. I was very much interested in working for Army or Air Force, and I tried giving up the India. I didn't pass, and I also applied somewhere in the DRDO, which is also a government job, correct? I want to, because I'm a very technical person, and in the few years down the line, I would want to join a political party to maybe help out. That is also a government job, correct? But
Yes, exactly. But how
yeah,
many people have actually come out and actually helped the political party? So how many, how many of these good guys you have seen in the politics? How many of these policy makers you could say that they are
The
actually
problem
they are
is
brilliant people?
our, you know that
We don't
our
encourage
IAS,
those people
IPS,
to
they
basically
work
help
for
the
those
country.
illiterate politicians.
Yes.
So our IPS, IAS, these people work for the corrupt politicians. They are into government job, and once they reach at that at a certain level, they become the same. They want that particular government job, 9 to 5, and just get some payment under the table. That's it.
that is exactly the thing, correct? That is exactly the part.
Well, that
That
is
So
what
it's
I was
it's
trying to
it's
mention,
it's
that
not
see,
so it's not
these are the
about
companies
it's not
who are
about
leading
helping the
us.
nation.
wait.
There is no
When you have
guarantee.
when you
There is no
uh,
guarantee of joining a government job, and you are going there to help your nation. There's no
correct.
guarantee for that.
So think about this. When you have a very educated members, correct? When you have very educated members in the government of on that particular level who can actually rationally think, something like Jawaharlal Nehru, correct? He was a great barrister, and he was very well educated, very elite, from coming from the very elite uh, thing, correct? He actually did something. He actually created IITs. There are many leaders who were there. So at the top, I would agree on that part, that there is some part of the problems that our government have, but you cannot say that we have not, that India has
Abhishek,
not done any. There
Abhishek,
are
Abhishek, Abhishek. There were many more people who were educated alongside Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru.
correct,
Let
correct.
me tell you,
I
right?
just count them
Let me
as
tell you. Let me tell
people.
you. Just because they got the I don't know what is the correct meaning, the correct word to replace the word satta in English means the problem is
You can
when
say
we got
power.
the when we got the independence, the thing is that few people were given the power. It was not the India that was given the power. The problem is when few people get the power, we are bound to oblige, or whatever you call them, means we are bound to them. So when you are
So
bound to them, you don't have your choices.
wait.
You don't have
In
choices. Whatever they will
in
build, you will have to
wait, wait, wait,
understand.
wait.
Hmm,
Give me a second. Okay, I totally. You are saying that some people were given power, correct? When a company is
hmm,
being formed, okay, there will
hmm,
be one CEO, there will be one
hmm.
CFO, correct? There will be one CIO, correct? And everyone has that. Wait. Not every employee right now in your company, you cannot just say that I want to just work around it, because there are some
Hmm.
business objectives, okay,
First of
or
all,
career objectives.
this analogy will not work, because when India got independence, it wasn't about that we are thinking in terms of company. First of all, we had to have other thoughts, because but
it,
these
it,
people
it
made
would
it out of
it,
the
it,
company.
it would have been great if we could have thought it about as a company, like how
That's what I
Hong Kong that
see.
wait let me complete, like how Hong Kong has, correct? Hong Kong used to have something like a CEO, CFO, or that kind of ranks, and Hong Kong used to work as a company based, correct? So it would have been great, but we actually, because the
You get
legislative
into
assembly.
Abhishek, you get into the companies after studying for 15, 16 years. These guys are creating political parties without any education, and they're still in the business. Your analogy doesn't, to be honest, this analogy doesn't
I
go
mean,
with the.
even if, let's say, even if we take the analogy,
Yes,
right?
people are
Company,
educated, but
So
yeah.
you
so
can think,
then
but
it's the
yeah,
then it's the
So
flaw
just a
of our
30 second
constitution.
comment here, right? So even if
Then
you
it's the
have the
flaw of our
analogy of,
constitution.
so if you have the analogy of the company that,
See,
it's a company, let's say, where you have CFO, CIO, and the employees. Now, what does the company do? What actually happens in the company? They provide bare minimum to every single employee who's working in the company. So if we compare with the same analogy, is the government did everything to provide the bare minimum to every single citizen of our country? No. So it cannot be a company. That's the
Okay.
point I'm trying to make. That,
so it's
again,
yeah,
if no one could have done
it's a huge
anything, we
difference
wouldn't
between
have, we
Hong
wouldn't
Kong and
have reached here. We wouldn't have come here. Okay, we
No,
are,
there are
yeah,
totally problem. Like we do not still have daily wage, hourly wage kind of
minimum
system, or
wage.
minimum wage kind of system, or hourly wage kind of system, which should be implemented. That is totally, I agree. There are flaws, and with that, I think we could actually take up on next topic. It's almost, and yeah, you
Yeah.
have your points.
so
Sure,
I
sure.
suppose
So
what
we
we are
can.
trying to say is, yes, we've got independence. There's lots of room for improvement, but I would say, yeah, again, a common citizen of the country, he didn't get anything out of that independence. So we can only call ourselves an independent nation when every common person in this country would be able to, leverage what a government is going to do. So, and we need a government with an intention, we who have a genuine intention to take the nation forward. I mean, look, if
Sure.
people are dying on the road and nobody's talking about it, and if the government and the MLAs and whatever, they're not bothered, then you have not elected the right people. That's the
Yes.
point I'm
So
trying to make.
I guess the real meaning of
absolutely.
independence is when every single person of the nation can say that from his or her inside that yes, I'm an independent citizen of the country. Not only the privileged one. Right
Yeah,
now, only the privileged one can say that yeah, we got independence. But the rickshaw wala, thela wala, they don't believe.
I mean,
Well,
they don't even know the difference.
Yeah, they don't even know the difference between 26 January and 15 August.
Yeah. I mean, look, prior to independence, they were beaten by British goons. Now they are beaten by Indian goons. For them, it's the same.
absolutely.
They are now exploited by
Absolutely.
the same
Absolutely.
section of the society. Within the society, we are exploiting others.
It, it, it,
It's the
it
same.
has happened. Yeah, we are in a situation because we are being led by such people. We are being and yes, we have chosen them. Yes, we have to agree that we have chosen them. But the point here is, whosoever is starting that such kind of political party, they are from such backgrounds. Point is, why
So
Abhishek, why Saurabh, why Gagan, why Rahul are not able to start a party? Why come? How come those people are able to start the party? Because it is all revolving around that money thing. Again,
I yeah, so I want to come on that point only. So I have a point here about our democracy. So I guess
yeah,
it's a failed, or if not failed, it's a immature democracy we are living in, and we still don't know what's the real meaning of democracy. So as we got the independence in 1947, so what I believe that during that time, still we were more secular than the present.
Exactly.
What happened during the
absolutely.
partition? What happened? Just take an example of our partition. What happened during that time? So the leaders which were on our part, on our side, and leaders on the other side. Our leaders said that whosoever want to live here, stay here. Just it's open doors. You can stay here, and whosoever want to go, you can go. So that proves that yes, we were secular. We were secular. और वहां पे हमने नींव रखी थी सेकुलरिज्म की कि हाँ हमारा जो फ्यूचर होगा सेकुलर होगा। वहीं से हमने नेहरू जी ने और जो भी हमारे गांधी जी नेहरू जो भी लीडर्स थे वहां से हमने नींव रखी थी सेकुलरिज्म की। उसके बाद धीरे धीरे पता नहीं क्या हुआ, बीच में भी शायद ठीक था, लेकिन उसके बाद हमने प्लॉट लूज कर दिया। और
That is because of
मैं
Satta,
अभी
Rahul. I believe Satta was the reason.
आई नो सत्ता, सत्ता तो है ही,
No,
लेकिन हम
not
हमें
Satta.
और
I can actually
और
bring you the point over here.
और
And so,
मेन चीज, एक मिनट मेरे को टॉपिक पूरा करने दे।
Mhm.
तो मेन चीज मेरे को लगती है उसमें रिलीजन बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है। तो तो अगर आपको
Exactly.
डेमोक्रेसी चाहिए, अगर आपको अपनी कंट्री में डेमोक्रेसी चाहिए, तो आपको रिलीजन और
अपना
स्टेट
धर्म
को
छोड़ना
सेपरेट
पड़ेगा।
करना पड़ेगा।
बिल्कुल।
रिलीजन और स्टेट को सेपरेट करना पड़ेगा। जो सेपरेशन होगा ना, तब आप, और बिना सेकुलरिज्म के आप डेमोक्रेसी ला ही नहीं सकते। सेकुलरिज्म तो होना ही पड़ेगा डेमोक्रेसी के लिए।
बिल्कुल अचीव नहीं
बिना
होगा
उसके
उसके बगैर। राइट।
उसके बिना तो सरवाइव नहीं कर सकती डेमोक्रेसी। ठीक है। और फिर मुझे लगता है कि आज की जो कंडीशन ये हो गई है कि रिसेंट ईयर्स में मैंने देखा है कि जो लिबरल्स थे वो फार फार राइट विंग हो गए हैं। और
एग्जैक्टली।
उसका बहुत बड़ा रीजन लगता है मेरे को मीडिया हमारा। जब, और मीडिया को हम बोलते हैं फोर्थ पिलर ऑफ द डेमोक्रेसी। जब आपका पूरा मीडिया एक शोकेस बन जाएगा, एक पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन या फिर पार्टी का लो, उसका शोकेस बन जाएगा, तो फिर कैसे कैसे चलेगी डेमोक्रेसी? और उसी का कारण है फिर ये इंटॉलरेंस जो भी होती है, ये सब चीजें। तो मेरे को तो ये लगता है।
Okay.
आपके कोई
So,
क्वेश्चंस?
which is totally, but there are few cases where actually we lost this kind of secularism. I believe is the first is when Rajiv Gandhi in 1987 started the Shah Bano case, when the High Court actually gave a judgment and he overruled it, which was one part of and then opening up the gates of Ayodhya Mandir was the second thing that he wanted to appease the Hindu impeachment and also the Muslim impeachment, correct? Or the groups, correct? And that's where actually I think it all started. Before that, everything was good. There were certain controversies. There was things there were which were divide and rule kind of policies that happened there. And if you even go before the independence, the direct action day was the main event which actually caused it. Okay, like I would be like very generous around you, and if I talk about Jinnah, correct? Okay, who is called the founding father of Pakistan. But so it's always said that he was a non-Muslim, correct? But he
Jinnah
was
was a non-Muslim and he was a secular guy, but
correct.
he was a clever guy.
No. He was, but there were certain his mind was filled with some
But
information that
partition happened because of religion.
Correct. And that's what people
He
actually
wanted to
taught him.
He wanted to safeguard Muslim from India. He thought that Muslims cannot live with Hindus.
Let me complete, correct? So he was a non-Muslim guy, he was a secular guy. And why did he? Because he was kind of taught about that a person who actually used to wear coat and everything, and he is then
He used
being
to eat
dressed
pork
as
as well.
correct. And he used to eat pork, which is also said that. So if he wears something like a Muslim libas, correct, to just appease the Muslim community. There was a point. So I think there were various points, but I totally agree with whatever point that you've made. But you said you should know that in our constitution, democracy and secularism are two different points. Democracy has a different definition, and secularism has a different being a secular is a different definition in it. And it is both
So
part of the Constitution of India, which should be followed. If it is part of the Constitution of India, it should be followed.
no, I'm just saying that religion should be your personal matter. You just cannot go to the government to sort out your religious things. Government is
You cannot.
like,
You just cannot
I
have
just want to
parties
say,
for religions.
you know what? You just lose the focus on whatever you said, that basic amenities. We cannot find those basic amenities because of these things. Our real focus is religion, and those things,
Yeah. Appeasement.
now you can see on
We
media
are
what's going
still
on.
asking. We are still asking for votes on religion. My caste.
Yeah, I
What
mean,
else? What else?
can you imagine, right? Like this whole thing again, nothing to do with religion. That we are celebrating that that we recently were able to to do some bhumi pujan for a mandir. I mean, that's been the talk of the town for
I
almost a
saw the
month now.
media. And
as if
they
that's
were
the
doing
biggest ever thing.
temples inside their studios,
Yeah,
and they were doing havas.
I would actually tell you, the bigger coverage, the celebration that we didn't even have at the time of independence. These media houses have actually forced the nation to celebrate more for this, some sort of a Mandir Bhumi Pujan. And if we are still doing that after 74 years of our independence, I would say we have done nothing but just gone downhill in a lot of things.
And that's what I'm saying. The real
And
job
they
of a
and
prime minister. Just one point. So the real job of a prime minister is not whatever Modi is doing. I'm just simply saying that whatever he did, he went to Mandir and he was doing havans and all on on television, on national television. So prime minister is prime minister. His name is prime minister, not Narendra Modi or whatever, or he's
Can I
not belong
can I
to any party.
can I
His
ask
name
you?
is
Can I
prime
ask
minister.
you?
That's it.
Can I ask you one thing?
If he wants to practice religion, he has to do that indoors
Can I ask
without
you
any
one thing?
camera.
Can
He
I
just
can I
cannot
ask
come out
can I
and do
ask you one
these
thing?
kind of things.
Can I ask you one
let
thing?
me make a point, and
Wait,
then you can
wait.
come in, Abhishek.
Okay.
Let me make a point.
Just a point
Saurabh
over here with the
was
Rahul. Just with the point
go
with the
on.
Rahul. Just what he was saying that if he is a prime minister, can't he practice his own religion? He can practice, correct?
Hmm.
No, I
Of course,
didn't say that. I
Correct,
didn't say
correct.
he can't
He
practice.
can practice.
Not in
He
front of camera.
wait.
That's what he's
No,
saying.
no, no. Wait.
I'm
So
saying,
have
are
you
you making a mockery?
okay, why don't you
in
do
our
this?
college? Wait,
Why don't you ask question and then let's wait for a response.
correct. So
Hmm.
in our college, when we used to have a event, correct? Like what was the college event?
Mhm.
Some
There
sports,
was
annual sports
some
meet,
sport,
let's just say.
annual
Yeah.
sports,
Yes,
or there was some
Some
cultural
boisterous
event.
night or something. Yeah, cultural
Correct,
event.
correct.
Yeah, going. Yeah,
Cultural
yes.
event.
yeah, yeah.
There were always the
Mhm.
chief guests that used to be called for the
Mhm.
inauguration of that event.
Mhm.
Think
Okay.
about this. That was kind of an inauguration of the event. I
Man,
have
we are not saying that he shouldn't
No,
have been
man.
called for the inauguration.
Man,
He's saying
you,
that it should have been done indoors. Why do you need cameras around you, covering you?
because
That could
because
have been done in isolation.
because
no,
for
Why
no.
an
do you
inauguration,
want the nation wants to why do you want a nation to watch that whole thing going on? That is, if you're praying for something, that is
that,
completely your
an
area of
Wait,
that is
wait,
the
wait.
problem
why
Will
with
do
he
you,
do
media.
that? Will he do
See,
that
that
on a
is
masjid?
that is problem with that is problem of the
That's what I'm
media
saying.
that is there. It should not have been covered in the great
that is
manner.
what he said. This is a paid media. This is being completely bought up by these political
Yeah.
parties.
It
Where
That's
the
has
what
Because
he's
they're
discipline
saying.
is?
it has
w-
been there from the since when Indira Gandhi actually joined,
well, it's
and
been
it
there
has
since
been
So
That
1947.
is
that means
irrelevant.
it's right.
See,
So that
timing
means
is
it's right.
irrelevant
It's
here.
been
Timing is
no, no.
irrelevant here. For
Okay,
how
okay.
long
We
this has
agree
been
that it's been going
existing?
on, but
see
Yeah,
still, it's not good.
yeah. The
see
point is,
see,
this shouldn't have this shouldn't be happening.
correct.
Timing is
Media,
irrelevant since yeah.
correct. So what I'm saying is, really, he should not. Media should not have covered it, but you cannot just blame a prime minister for just being a chief guest. Think about it as a chief guest on going it. But yes, the media, how media covered it
I will
was
blame, man.
totally
I will blame.
Abhishek, you very well know how many channels are being bought by BJP, how many channels are being purchased by so and so party. So how come is it possible that this
how
could
many
have been
channels
done
have
indoors? That's
how
what
many
I'm saying.
channels
You
how
are
many
saying that
channels how many
Prime
channels
Minister.
are bought how many channels are bought by businessmen?
That's what I'm saying. These businessmen are also linked to parties. That's what I'm saying.
It's all
No, channels are
business.
All
channel
who is
media
Adani
is not
linked to? Who is Adani
correct.
linked to? We all know. I'm
No, that's
saying
that's a
these.
separate debate.
Yeah, that's a
Don't
separate
get
debate.
into
That's
it.
what I'm saying. I'm just saying the press is completely sold off.
Yeah.
That's why
And
they are covering such events.
yes, and I think the main point here is that let's
And
say
the one point that I wanted to make, just interrupting you, Saurabh, when you mentioned that Bhumi Pujan is being made such a highlight in the nation, and then there were some few hoardings in the national capital that I saw. ये मंदिर तो बन के रहेगा जिनको रोकना है रोक लो. My point is, why do you need to put up such hoardings when the
uh,
Bhumi Pujan is
And
around the corner?
I still can't
exactly.
Why do
understand
you need to
the
put
no.
up?
क्यों रोकना
Who is
है?
stopping? Who is stopping you? No, nobody is
Yes.
doing that.
Yes.
Yeah,
और
yeah.
I
भाई
think
Nobody is
मुझे
doing
यही
अभी
है.
that.
भी
That's been
मुझे
the
अभी
root cause
भी
of the problem.
Yeah,
एक
That
why
चीज
do
what
you
समझ
need
में
to
you're
नहीं
put
what
आती
up
जो
those hoardings? Manoj Tiwari was highlighted on those hoardings and boardings. Means billboards are made. Why are you putting up such billboards over there to just highlight that Bhumi Pujan is around the corner and somebody is stopping you? If somebody is stopping you, fight them internally. Why do you need to put up the boards over there?
Totally agree.
I just can't get this. This is
I
again.
agree.
और यू नो
So
मुझे ये चीज समझ नहीं आती, ये सब लोग खेल रहे हैं, ये जो रोमांटिसिज्म है ना, मतलब रिलीजन का, मुझे समझ नहीं आता, और ये
right.
उसी का फायदा उठाते
Very
हैं। और
dangerous. Yeah.
ये
It
जो
is very
रोमांटिसिज्म है
dangerous.
कि हाँ
This
हाँ
will
हाँ
make
हाँ
people. This
हाँ,
will make friends fight. This
हाँ,
can
फिर
make
रोटी तो
friends
खा लो
fight,
पहले।
man. This can make friends fight with each other. I've seen people turning against each other. They're turning from friends to foe. Means this is something that can really hit you
मुझे
in the heart.
मुझे उसका क्या कहते हैं, कार्ल मार्क्स का ना, कार्ल मार्क्स का एक कोट याद आता है इस पे, बहुत ही बढ़िया। उसमें बोला था कि रिलीजन इज द ओपियम ऑफ द मासेस।
See, opium,
रिलीजन की गोली दो और
right?
मजे लो।
कुछ भी करा लो, right?
और फिर अब हो क्या रहा है कि अब वो फॉर्मूला जो है ये हिट फॉर्मूला है। दैट इज
Right.
व्हाई किसी को पड़ी नहीं है कि यू नो व्हाट आई नीड टू डू विद द कॉमन मैन।
तो
अब
मैं
हर
यही
एक को ये
तो मैं
लगी
यही
है कि मेरे यहाँ 70% हिंदू हैं, तो हाउ डू आई डू अ हिंदू अपीजमेंट टू रिमेन इन द पावर, and that's what the problem is, and that's been going on for since 1947. The foundation of our country was based on religion.
Our
कि
foundation
जिसको
was not.
Saurabh and
Of course
Rahul,
it
I have a
was.
Our
question to
foundation,
ask.
our
Saurabh and
country's
Rahul,
formation was not. Wait, our country's formation was not based on the religion. Pakistan's
नहीं
formation
नहीं,
was
आर
based
कंट्री
on
वाज,
the
मैंने अभी
It's the
बोला था।
same thing.
नो
It's one and the
It
same
is.
thing.
It is
नो
not.
नो नो
यही प्रॉब्लम है
नो नो
यार।
नो
टिल
नो
द
नो।
टाइम वी विल नॉट सी दिस विद द सेम लेंस, आई थिंक हम हमेशा इंडिया पाकिस्तान ही करते रहेंगे।
See, our
Rahul और
country
सौरभ,
formation,
मेरा एक
our
सवाल है
country
आप
was
लोगों के
always
लिए।
there. Our country was always there. There were two.
एक मिनट, गगनदीप वांट्स टू गेट इन।
राहुल और सौरभ, एक सवाल है मेरा तुम दोनों के लिए। Whosoever wants to answer first can raise their hands. यार आप लोग बाहर रहे हो, so राहुल अभी भी बाहर है यार, क्या वहां पर भी वोट ये रिलीजन कास्ट के नाम पर ही मांगे जाते हैं, या वहां लड़ाई किसी और चीज की है? ब्लैक व्हाइट की लड़ाई है, या कि ये क्या है? मैं जस्ट देखना चाह रहा हूँ कि हम कहाँ गलत पड़ रहे हैं यार दूसरे देशों के मुकाबले। मैं ऐसा कुछ समझना चाह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल राहुल को रहते हुए शायद अब कितने 3-4 साल हो गए हैं शायद, मे बी
3.5 साल हो गए।
यार
3.5
उसका
साल हो
आई
गए।
थिंक कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है। कंपैरिजन
नहीं, मैं
इसलिए नहीं
समझना
है।
चाह रहा हूँ, मैं समझना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये तुम रोज लोगों से मिलते होगे रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में, उनका क्या टेक होता है इन चीजों पर? सौरभ, यू हैव
यार मैं
बीन
वही तो कह रहा हूँ।
you have stayed in UK, so I would ask Rahul first to go on this.
ओके, तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई बहुत डिफरेंस है, मतलब बहुत डिफरेंस है। मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ डेवलप्ड कंट्री का मतलब सिर्फ सड़कें बिल्डिंगें नहीं होता।
बिल्कुल।
डेवलप्ड कंट्री का मतलब होता है आपका ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, आपका ह्यूमन राइट्स। ठीक है, आप जो आपके लोग हैं वहां पे जो रह रहे हैं, उनकी जिंदगी पे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है, उनको कितनी फ्रीडम मिल रही है, उनको आपको खाने को मिल रहा है क्या फिर नहीं मिल रहा, वो चीज है। तो ये लोग उस पर ध्यान देते हैं। ठीक है ना, जो यहाँ की आम
तो
जनता,
एक
जो
तरीके से अगर मैं
common,
इसे शॉर्ट करूं,
and that's why वो developed,
हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स वाली बात आ जाती है।
correct,
और
and that's
हैप्पीनेस
why,
इंडेक्स कहाँ से आता है?
लोगों
and that
से।
is why भाई, and that's why they are called the developed nation, because उनके पास है, और happiness index में हमारे पास वो नहीं है। ठीक है, but developed countries like US, correct, developed countries like US में अभी भी
भाई यूएस
white,
एक वाहिद मुल्क है। यूएस को अपना
एक
रोल मॉडल मत मानो डेमोक्रेसी
नहीं
में।
मगर
आपने जापान देखा है?
there
रोहित, जापान देखा है?
wait, there are
हम
only two
इंडियंस
countries,
ना,
there are only
यूएस को रोल मॉडल मानते हैं और बहुत बड़ी गलती करते हैं।
मैं नहीं
no
मानता। Sorry,
there are only two countries that are called immigrant country. The first one is immigrant country is called India. The second immigrant country is US. बाकी और भी countries in the world में तेरे को कोई immigrant countries, you can say Australia also at one point of time, which is called the very newly built immigrant country. But if you call the first immigrant countries, it is US. It is India and then US.
But that does not make it
And because you see the diversity over there, you see the diversity over here, correct? And US is not a role model, I will say that. But I've been also to a certain part of Europe, ठीक है? And Europe में भी, ठीक है, whites black को बहुत बुरी नजर से देखते हैं, और I have actually seen that in Amsterdam, which I've actually also talked to you about, correct?
सुन भाई, मैं बोलूं कुछ?
यार हमारे यहाँ तो नॉर्थ और साउथ में रेसिज्म है यार। आई मीन ये लेट्स नॉट कंपेयर एप्पल्स विद एप्पल्स।
Hey, why not? सी वहां पे रेसिज्म है और इंडिया में इतना डाइवर्सिफिकेशन है और तुम फिर भी वो बोल रहे हो कि वहां पे कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, यहाँ पे सारी प्रॉब्लम्स है।
रोहित, अभी आपको ध्यान होगा मैंने एक सवाल पूछा था राहुल और सौरभ से कि क्या बाहर के देशों के मिसाइल हमारे मसले हमारे देशों से किस तरीके से लगे थे, तो मैंने उसमें स्पेशली एक चीज बोली थी, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट के अलावा कोई मुद्दा है?
यार ये तो जोरों से
ब्लैक
मल्टीकल्चरलिज्म
एंड व्हाइट भी मुद्दा नहीं है यार। ब्लैक
यार
एंड व्हाइट
हेलो,
मैं वही कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि मैं वही समझना चाह रहा हूँ, इसीलिए मैंने राहुल और वो सौरभ को वो क्वेश्चन पोज किया था, क्योंकि दे माइट हैव स्टेड लॉन्गर देन यू और
मैं
ये तो
अपना
आई स्टेड इन द
ये तो
मैं अपना 6
एम्फसाइज
साल का
करते हैं
एक्सपीरियंस
मल्टीकल्चरलिज्म
आई
को
विल
एम्फसाइज
टेल
करते हैं।
यू 6 years experience based on that I'm telling you, right? Black
हम्म
and white is not a topic. ठीक है, black and white is a different, it's you know, it's outside of that. At least if a politician is also a racist, he will not actually fight the election on that basis. जैसे हमारे यहाँ होता है हिंदू अपीजमेंट। अच्छा, तो वहां पे क्या है यार, दे सबमिट अ रिपोर्ट कार्ड। वहां पे देर आर पीपल, एंड अगेन इट्स अ टू वे थिंग। वहां पे जो लोग हैं ना वो भी राइट क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं। वहां पे लोग, अगर वो ये कहेगा ना कि मैं गोरो, यू नो, आई विल फाइट फॉर द व्हाइट्स और आई विल फाइट फॉर द ब्लैक्स, people will
हम्म
outrightly reject that person. They like, we don't care about it, you tell us what have you done.
राइट
हमारे यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है, इट्स अ टू वे थिंग। गवर्नमेंट
इन
भी
टर्म्स ऑफ पब्लिक
आपको
वेलफेयर, यस दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट
गवर्नमेंट
इन
भी
टर्म्स ऑफ
आपको
पब्लिक
इसीलिए,
वेलफेयर।
देखो सिंपल सी
राइट।
बात है, गवर्नमेंट भी आपको इसीलिए बना रही है क्योंकि आप बन रहे हो। ठीक है,
देखो एक
एग्जैक्टली।
फेड
इफ आई एम सेइंग डोंट वरी, कम विद मी, वोट फॉर मी, आई विल बिल्ड राम मंदिर एंड 70% पीपल वोट, देन दैट्स अ बिग
या
प्रॉब्लम
देखो
वी हैव, राइट? हम
एक
भी तो उसी में
राइट।
चल रहे हैं।
एक एक फेल्ड डेमोक्रेसी का एग्जांपल देता हूँ, जैसे कि पाकिस्तान है, वो इट्स अ
हम्म
टोटली फेल्ड डेमोक्रेसी। फेल्ड डेमोक्रेसी का
एब्सोल्युटली।
मतलब है कि वहां पे आप एक इलेक्शन के लिए बंदा खड़ा करते हो, एक है मुस्लिम और एक है
हम्म
बुद्धिस्ट।
हम्म
तो बुद्धिस्ट ने चाहे कितने भी अच्छे काम किए हो, जीतेगा मुस्लिम ही।
नो मैटर
दैट्स
व्हाट।
कॉल्ड
एग्जैक्टली।
democracy.
या
And we immature democracy in it. It's not totally failed. We
या
still have
इंडिया इज नॉट टोटली फेल्ड, बट यस या
we still have
इंडिया इज
some
नॉट
sort of
टोटली फेल्ड, राइट, बट वी आर
have
फ्लॉड, वी आर टू।
तो
मेरे को तो अपने देश से बड़ा कोई रेसिस्ट कंट्री नजर ही
तो
नहीं आता।
तो इंडिया में आउट ऑफ 10 आई थिंक 7 टाइम्स हिंदू जीतेगा अगर तुम एक मुस्लिम को खड़ा कर दो। इन
राइट।
कंट्रीज में ऐसा नहीं होता है।
हम्म
यहाँ पे तुम कंपनी में सीईओ बना देते बंदों की, रिगार्डलेस वो किसी का वो हो, या फिर तुमने देखा ही है भाई। ठीक है,
लंदन का
इवन
मेयर,
वेट 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 वेट
इवन
लंदन का
अभी
मेयर
आईबीएम
wait,
अभी
wait,
आईबीएम का बना है।
वेट 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 ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कितनी बार एक हिंदू प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना है?
क्या अभी तो
फिर वही बात,
यार
वेट 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 वेट
फिर वही बात।
वेट 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 और
नहीं, नहीं,
कितने
नहीं।
बार मुस्लिम प्राइम
you are
मिनिस्टर बना?
comparing
यूएस
apples to
में
apples।
अभी कनाडा में हरजीत सिंह
मिनिस्टर
सज्जन डिफेंस मिनिस्टर है, अभी डिफेंस
और इंडिया
मिनिस्टर है
में
वो।
कितनी बार पूरा प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना है?
ठीक है, अभी मलेशिया में एक सिंह साहब डिफेंस
भाई
मिनिस्टर
मेरी
हैं।
बात तो सुन लो
यार।
So that's not the analogy that you come up with. Rohit, I'll have to, I beg to differ, but that's not the analogy that you come up with.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनने के लिए
That's not an argument.
एक खास नंबर को पार्लियामेंट में जाना पड़ता है। ऑस्ट्रेलिया में वो खास नंबर पार्लियामेंट में है ही नहीं, तो क्या मेरे को उठा के बना दे वो?
करेक्ट करेक्ट, because of the majority of the population, correct, because of the majority of the religious population. India is the only country जहाँ पे हमारे पास सिख एज अ प्रेसिडेंट बना हुआ है, सिख एज अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना हुआ है हमारे पास। वहां जहाँ पे हमारे पास मुस्लिम एज अ प्रेसिडेंट बना हुआ है, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, उससे पहले कितने थे। इंडिया इज अ ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल। हमारा
प्राइम मिनिस्टर, जस्ट टू लेट यू नो, if Congress fought on him, they wouldn't have won.
if Congress,
जब मनमोहन सिंह जी प्रधानमंत्री बने, he was not even an MP.
Wasn't
He
an
was
elected
made,
prime minister,
yeah,
just let you know.
no, obviously he did not find any sort of elections. He was made to win in some by elections. That's what I'm saying. He was not even an MP, and he became a PM. So just reverse of that. So see, we are not arguing on the part that who has become the prime minister of what country. The point here is we are fighting against that religion, caste, creed. These should not be the subjects to elect any government.
मैंने इंडिया को फेल्ड डेमोक्रेसी नहीं बोला,
Right? It is a flawed one. Ours is a flawed one.
correct. Which I would be saying that there are points in democracy which I also don't agree to. But
Yes.
what that is one point, correct? And then, yeah, I totally agree on one of the points, which is media, correct? Which media has, I think, because also privatization of the media has somewhat ruined the job. But because if I really remember around in 1975 when the emergency happened, correct? When the control was even in the one, and we did not have any private news media. We had the only government-based news uh, media, and it was all controlled by that. In 1975, all of these papers were also being cancelled, correct? They were not asked, they were asked not to publish something about the government. And there is actually a movie also, which is Satta. I believe the movie is Satta, which is actually the that
Are
what
you
is
referring
happening
to
over there.
Ravina Tandon movie? Are you
No,
referring
no,
to
no,
Ravina Tandon
no, no,
movie?
no, no.
Atul. Okay.
Hey, Ravina
Okay.
Tandon, 1975. Seriously.
Okay. There was a movie Satta called in 90s or 2000s also. Anyways. Okay.
So basically, I will actually forward you that movie, and it was actually cancelled, and it was not even allowed to publish over the theaters. Then there were books that were written; they were also. So yeah, media, until and unless the media is a separate entity. Like I really like the media channel called Lallan Top, which is very good, which
Yeah,
provides good
that's a good
information.
channel.
That's a good channel. I think most of these internet-based media service should actually come up. Something like First Post is a one. There is something like a fact checker, that is also a good one. Hindustan Times is a good one if you go around the papers. So there are some good ones, but media as what we see on the TV, it's not media.
It's
It
not
is
a media, it's
It's an
entertainment.
entertainment channel. It's an entertainment
Yeah.
channel now.
Yeah, I
So
mean, you get more entertainment on, I think, Arnab show than any daily soap, I would say.
correct. So if you really want to consume some news, really, instead of being entertained, I would actually say that read newspapers, correct, and follow a certain number of pages, correct. That would be good, or follow some of the internet-based article. If you really want to get entertained, watch that news channel.
Mm.
Absolutely. That's a point. That's a valid point that you have brought up, because this is all happening because press is being sold. They have sold their own conscience
See,
just to run their
I, I,
channels.
I would not even call them press anymore. I would just say they
Yeah,
are
that's
entertainment.
what I see.
Correct.
There is a
That's
word
the
you
truth.
need to address to everyone. But
I'm calling
media,
them entertainment.
press, whatever.
I
Absolutely,
don't even watch
absolutely.
that.
They are.
The one of the media channels that I
The
follow
only
is
thing
if
in last
which is called
few
Lalan
days
Talk.
that I've liked, in only thing that I've liked is about Arnab's show in last few days, because he has just exposed
He's
few
chasing
things.
the culprits like dogs.
Yeah, means that he's actually no, that's fine. Yeah, you can say that. But
जैसे गाड़ी के
point there
पीछे
is
कुत्ते
that
भागते हैं
he
ना.
yeah, he has really exposed everyone in, at least in Sushant's case. I don't know about his other cases, because most of the
He's
times I
settling
saw
his
him that
own scores as well.
he's sold to BJP.
See,
Is
one of
being
the
sold
points.
to BJP. NDTV is sold to Congress, and few other channels. Z is sold to BJP. See, I'm taking names because I've seen them doing this. They're not
Everyone knows
talking
that.
about anything. Everyone knows
It's not
that.
a new thing.
No, obviously, I'm taking I'm not liking such things. Where is the independent media? We are calling them the fourth pillar.
Yeah,
I
How
just
come they
can't
are pillar
understand.
anymore? How come they are pillar
I just
exactly.
anymore?
can't understand. They have a
Where are the,
spec-
BBCs of the world for India? It
Right,
doesn't even exist,
right,
I would say.
look,
And
they
वही
right.
have
प्रॉब्लम
a
वही है कि
specific
इतने सारे मीडिया हाउसेज
they
हैं,
have a
अब सबका
they have a
प्राइवेट अपने.
specific course. जर्नलिज्म का एक कोर्स
Hmm,
होता है, 3-4
हाँ,
साल का होता है,
right.
वो पढ़ के फिर ये यहाँ पे ना ये आरती कर रहे होते हैं, कभी वो समुद्र में उसमें नकली लहरें बनाई खड़े हो जाते हैं. मैंने कहा भाई ये पढ़
बताओ।
के तुम आए हो, ये करने आए हो.
तो
और
आप
उस
देखो
कोर्स
ना,
में एडमिशन भी
जर्नलिज्म
नहीं
की हालत
मिलता है
क्या हो
बहुत
गई है।
आसानी से.
मेरे ख्याल से इंडिया एक्सपेक्टेशंस वर्सेस रियलिटी टॉपिक इतना बड़ा है कि आप इसमें बहुत चीजें कवर कर सकते हो, जिस वजह से हमने आज इतने सारे रेंज ऑफ टॉपिक्स को पकड़ा भी। और मुझे लगता है कि अभी भी बहुत कुछ है जिसमें हम जाके बह के बोल भी सकते हैं, बड़ा कुछ है। लेकिन ये एक ऐसी डिबेट है जो अनएंडिंग है, जो मुझे लगता है इसमें आप बात बहुत कर सकते हैं। अभिषेक के पास अपने पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं, और मैं अभिषेक आपको बता दूं, मुझे भारत की तरक्की से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मेरे से ज्यादा खुश कोई नहीं होगा। लेकिन
यार
क्या
तो
है
क्यों
कि
दिक्कत होगी, मतलब किसी भी इंडियन को क्यों दिक्कत होगी?
मैंने पिछले कुछ सालों में जो देखा है ना, लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, जिनसे मेरी मुलाकात होती है, राहुल इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स। ये आज बाहर बैठा है यार, इसको क्या जरूरत पड़ी इसे बाहर जाने की? मुझे मुझे लगता है मुझे चले जाना चाहिए। आई कुड नॉट मेक इट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। आई एम एडमिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, मेरे को नहीं लगता मुझे अब यहाँ रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम एक ऐसे समाज में रह रहे हैं जहां पे मुझे लगता ही नहीं कल को मेरे बच्चे ये इस पेडिस्टल पे खड़े हो पाएंगे। इतनी भीड़ है इस देश में यार, कैसे मिलेगी उन्हें जगह कहीं? मैं जिसके सामने खड़ा हूँ वो मेरे से ज्यादा पैसे लेकर के किसी स्कूल में एडमिशन करा रहा है उनका।
तो
कहाँ रह गई
इंटॉलरेंट हो
आपकी
रहा है,
सच्चाई?
दैट्स कॉल्ड
इंटॉलरेंट?
इंटॉलरेंट।
मैं एंटी नेशनल हो रहा हूँ, मैं इंटॉलरेंट हो रहा हूँ, मैं और पता नहीं क्या क्या हो जाऊंगा थोड़े दिन में। आई डोंट नो व्हाट ऑल एडजेक्टिव्स विल बी यूज्ड टू एड्रेस मी। ये सब चीजें हो रही हैं, और मैं इसको कहीं ना कहीं कारण, ये पॉपुलेशन तो एक कारण है ही, ये साथ में जो हमारे लोग कर रहे हैं ना, ये जो ले आए हैं, जिस तरीके की पॉलिटिक्स यहाँ चल रही है, दिस इज एक्चुअली नॉट, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, आपके ये देश को ग्रो नहीं कर रही है, ये खुद को ग्रो कर रहे हैं बस।
एग्जैक्टली
ये
आई
खुद को
थिंक
ग्रो
वही
कर
है।
रहे हैं।
देखो यार, सीधी सी बात है, जो कंट्री है इट इज ग्रोन बाय इट्स पीपल एंड इट्स आल्सो किल्ड बाय इट्स
हाँ,
पीपल। अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन आवर केस आवर पीपल आर किलिंग आवर कंट्री एंड
राइट।
इट्स अ पॉइंट ब्लैंक फैक्ट।
मैं एक बात और
दैट्स
जोड़ना
व्हाट
चाहूंगा
इट इज।
इसमें, एक बात और जोड़ना चाहूंगा, ये मेरा किसी पे वार नहीं है, बट एक बात मैंने मोदी साहब को कहते हुए बहुत बार सुना है। हमारे देश का युवा, 130 करोड़ जनता, कभी वो 125 बोलते, कभी 130, आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर व्हेन ही सेज 135, ठीक है, वो
गिव हिम 2
उनके
मंथ्स,
पास जो स्टैटिस्टिक्स आते हैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आता,
वो
लेकिन वो
बिहार
कई बार
इलेक्शन पे
युवा,
हो जाएंगे 135।
हाँ, कभी कभी वो युवा की बड़ी बात करते हैं ना, तो युवा के लिए मुझे कुछ कहना है। शायद वो ये नहीं देख रहे कि वो युवा कर क्या रहा है। हमारे पास इतना युवा है, वो ये कर, यस, अच्छे अच्छे काम भी हो रहे हैं, लेकिन बुरे काम ज्यादा हाईलाइट हो रहे हैं मेरे भाई। हाईलाइट कैसे हो रहे हैं? वो युवा गाजियाबाद की दुकानों में डाके डाल रहा है, वो उस
हाँ, ये
सुनार को
बात है।
लूट
या फिर
लिया,
वो
शाम
या
को
फिर वो सिटी
टीसीएस
में
के बंदे
सेंट्रल
को
पार्क है
गोली
ना,
मार दी,
वो
टीसीएस
जो
के बंदे को
सेंट्रल
गोली मार दी।
सेंट्रल जो
ये
सेंट्रल
क्या
पार्क है
हो
ना
रहा है,
सिटी
क्यों
में,
हो
वहाँ
रहा है?
युवा और युवतियां बैठी रहती हैं।
और
आप
फिर यार,
आप बांद्रा चले जाएं, आप बालिका बाजार चले जाएं, कहीं चले जाएं, मतलब जो भी ऐसी चीजें, मैंने तो देखा नहीं बॉम्बे, बट सुना ही है कि पता नहीं कहाँ पे वहां बैठते हैं, कोई बैंक स्टैंड है क्या, बैंड स्टैंड होगा कोई,
मतलब
वट एवर इट इज। चलो, मुझे
हाँ,
उनके बैठने से भी दिक्कत नहीं है यार, युवा के पास टाइम इतना है तो वो किसी जगह इन्वेस्ट क्यों नहीं कर लेता?
अभी
और
टिकटॉकर
प्रॉब्लम
बंद
क्या
कर
है
दिया, आधा
कि
युवा
वो
वैसे
जो
ही बेरोजगार।
ये जो युवा का जो जो खेल है ना, कि भाई जो जो प्रॉब्लम हो रही है यूथ के साथ, कमिंग टू अ लिटिल सीरियस, नो वन इज एक्चुअली बॉदर्ड अबाउट इट। हमारे यहाँ सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यह है कि किसी को पड़ी नहीं है, एंड
मैं एक
दैट इज
बात और
व्हाट
बोलता
द
हूँ,
प्रॉब्लम इज।
हम लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं ना, जितने भी हम लोग सब एम्प्लॉयड है, मैं इस बात की खुशी मनाता हूँ कि हम सब एम्प्लॉयड है। अभी इस कोरोना वायरस के दौरान भी बहुत लॉकडाउन हुए, बहुत जगह लोगों की नौकरी भी गई, मैं एम्प्लॉयड हूँ, मैं इस बात का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। लेकिन एक बात बोलता हूँ, ये कोरोना वायरस से पहले को भी आप इसको जोड़ सकते हो, हम लोग काम तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अब मुझे लगता है बहुत से लोग अंडरपेड हैं। एक तो वो है जिनके पास जॉब ही नहीं है, वो तो कुछ कमा ही नहीं रहे, अंडरपेड भी बहुत लोग हैं यहाँ,
यार
बहुत
अंडर
लोग
पेड की वजह से तो
अंडरपेड।
इतनी कंपनियां हैं इंडिया में।
ठीक है, ये भी आप कह सकते हो, ये भी आप कह सकते हो, लेकिन उसका
अगर
फायदा
आप
क्या हो रहा है वो? हाँ,
अगर आप मिनिमम वेज का फंडा इंडिया में ले आओगे, कंपनियां भाग जाएंगी इंडिया से।
ये
वो
ये
कहेंगे
ये
है।
भाई
ये
तो
आपको
मैं यही
आउटसोर्सिंग
इतने
क्यों
पैसे में
होती है?
कराता हूँ, खुद करा लो।
आउटसोर्सिंग इसलिए होती है, यूएस में क्यों नहीं प्रोजेक्ट जाता, इंडिया में क्यों आता है? सस्ता पड़ता है यहाँ पे।
सस्ता पड़ता,
नौ
लेबर
लाख
लॉस
में
भी है ना,
तीन
कभी भी
नौ
कुछ भी कर
लाख
सकते
में
हैं लोग।
3 बंदे हायर कर लेती है एचसीएल।
और लेबर लॉस भी नहीं है ना, लेबर लॉस इतने वीक है कि
है ही
कोई
नहीं
ये
कर
भाई
है।
साहब,
सकते
वो तो एग्जिस्ट,
एक
दे
मिनट।
डोंट एग्जिस्ट।
यार हमारे यहाँ ना, वी हैव अ क्लासिकल केस ऑफ 80-20। 80-20 मतलब कि
हाँ
80%
हाँ,
जो पैसा है वो 20% लोगों के पास है। ठीक है,
बिल्कुल
एंड दैट
बिल्कुल
सेम
बिल्कुल।
गोज फॉर अ कंपनी, फॉर अ स्कूल। जो स्कूल का
हम्म,
जो प्रिंसिपल है, जो स्कूल का मैनेजमेंट है, दे टेक 80% ऑफ द मनी। जो बाकी जो पूरा स्टाफ है, दे टेक 20%। तो यू विल फाइंड आउट इवन कोरोना वायरस में भी, जब जहाँ 50% फीस दी जा रही है, मे बी कई स्कूलों में बहुत कम दी जा रही है, जो स्कूल का जो एमडी है या जिसका स्कूल है, ही स्टिल बाइंग अ न्यू मर्सिडीज। टीचर
सोचो।
बेचारा,
हम्म,
उसका शॉपिंग बंद हो गई है ना, क्योंकि
हम्म
80-20 इज किलिंग अस। और जब तक ये सही नहीं
हम्म
होगा ना, अगेन द सेम थिंग, टैक्स पेयर में ले लो, हर जगह हमारे यहाँ 80-20 है। टैक्स पेयर तो और भी बेकार है, 1.5 करोड़ लोग 135 करोड़ का क्या कहते हैं बोझ ढो रहे हैं। तो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
ये
ये
आप
पॉइंट
चेंज
आपने
नहीं
बिल्कुल,
करोगे।
हाँ,
तो
ये
ये
आप
बहुत
चाहे
बड़ा।
जीएसटी ले आओ,
मतलब यही
आप
है यार।
एसएसटी ले आओ, कुछ ले आओ, ये आपका जो, ये अगर ये चेंज नहीं होगा ना कि हम उसको रहित कर रहे हैं टैक्स से, फलाने को कर रहे हैं, उसको देना है फलान, तो ये तो कभी देश ऐसे बड़ा, आप देखो ऑस्ट्रेलिया जैसे देश में जीएसटी चलता है, वो कितना राहुल आप मुझे करेक्ट करना इस बात पे अगर मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ तो, क्या वहां पर हर चीज की दर पे अलग अलग स्लैब है?
नहीं 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 नहीं
जैसे
नहीं, एक फ्लैट।
3.5 कभी मैंने सुना था, मुझे नहीं पता वो बढ़ गया हो, लेकिन वो स्लैब एक ही होगा। यहाँ पर आप देखें जब उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया जीएसटी 5%, 12%, 18%, 28% और किसी पे और भी ज्यादा हो तो पता नहीं, ये क्या है? मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि मेरे को बिस्किट खरीदना तो मुझे 12% लगेगा, मुझे खाना खाना तो 28% लगेगा। मतलब क्या खाऊं मैं?
एक सेकेंड, यूएक्स
ये स्लैब्स क्यों है अलग अलग यार? क्या तुम यूनिफॉर्म क्यों नहीं ला पा रहे हो चीजें?
भाई एक तो यूएस का
एक
एग्जांपल
एक
मत
मिनट,
दे, यूएस इज अ कैपिटलिस्ट कंट्री, हमें वैसा नहीं बनना है।
यूएस में 10%, 12%, 22%, 24%, 32%, 35%, 37%, these are the 7 slabs of US,
अग्रीड।
correct?
आप अपने आप को ऑस्ट्रेलिया से क्यों नहीं कंपेयर कर रहे? वाई यूएस?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया से नहीं बोलो, तुम स्कैंडिनेविया से कंपेयर
नहीं नहीं,
करो,
एक बात
स्वीडन हो
कर
गया,
रहा हूँ
फिनलैंड
मैं।
हो गया,
आप
वो है
आप
आइडियल आइडियल कंट्रीज, वो है रोल मॉडल आपके, जो कैपिटलिज्म प्लस तुम्हारा सोशलिज्म दोनों को लेके चलती हैं। उनका ये है कि
दोबारा
हमारे
नाम
यहाँ
लेना
कोई
राहुल, दोबारा नाम लेना, शायद आई मे नॉट बी अवेयर। नाम
स्कैंडिनेवियन
लेना दोबारा।
कंट्रीज, जैसे आपका ये
स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज,
स्वीडन हो गया फॉर
स्वीडन,
एग्जांपल।
ओके ओके ओके
फिनलैंड,
ओके ओके
नॉर्वे,
ओके।
डेनमार्क।
मैं जर्मनी का ले लूं।
ले लो।
जर्मनी इज अ वेरी जर्मनी इज अ डिफरेंट लेवल कंट्री, करेक्ट? मैं तो अलग वो हूँ फैन हूँ जर्मनी का। It starts at 1%, which includes to 42%. ठीक है, and it अगर you have certain amount of income, it would also go around 45%. So there are also different slabs around there.
हाँ बिल्कुल हैं, पर वो उस हिसाब से जो उनका टैक्स पेयर है या जो भी ओवरऑल उनकी पॉपुलेशन है, उस हिसाब से उनको फैसिलिटीज भी देते हैं। I give you my own example.
अभिषेक।
My baby, एक
हाँ।
second. My baby was born in UK, first baby.
हम्म।
We did not spend a single penny from the time my wife found out she is pregnant and from the time we
अच्छा।
left the country on our baby. In India, I would have
वाह।
spent at least 10 or 15 lakhs, 40s में कराना है, वीडियो सब निकालना है. I got the same facility free of cost and I was so happy that I am paying tax because my tax is being returned to me.
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है, जो लोग बाहर के टैक्सेस पे कर रहे हैं उन्हें वो टैक्सेस अपने देश में लगे हुए नजर आते हैं। भाई कहाँ खर्च हुआ?
भाई
हमारी
मेडिकल
प्रॉब्लम
मैं तो
ये
आज
है,
तक
कुछ वैसा मेरा
हमारी
नहीं खर्च होता।
मैं तो आज तक साफ सुथरा पार्क नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ लोकेलिटीज में, उसमें पत्थर पड़े हुए हैं।
and he's living in
आप
a good
बात कर रहे
locality by the way.
हैं, एक बात कर रहा हूं मैं, कि आप कितने लोग ऐसे प्रिविलेज्ड हैं? मैं उन बिल्डिंग्स की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं जिनको खोला ही ट्रम्प टावर्स के नाम से जाता है, उनकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं।
I mean,
इंडिया
वही है
में वो
यार.
ट्रम्प टावर्स के नाम से खोल दिया जाता है कुछ। बॉम्बे में कोई फ्लैट बनते हैं तो वहां पे वो अच्छा, आपको जो बॉम्बे गया है उसको पता होगा, मैंने तो सिर्फ सुना और थोड़ा सा वीडियोस देखे हैं। बॉम्बे भी दो हैं, एक पुराना बॉम्बे, एक नया बॉम्बे, जिसमें वो धारावी कहाँ है? वो कभी बच्चन साहब के तुमने घर सुना कभी बाढ़ आई हो? वो कहाँ
भाई
रहते हैं?
बॉम्बे का अरे बॉम्बे
कहाँ
से
रहे?
भाई
वो कौन सा बॉम्बे है? वो कौन सा बॉम्बे है
आपको फन
जहाँ
एक
शाहरुख
फन
खान
फैक्ट
रहता
बताता
है?
फिर वही बात हो गई। अभी हम वही बात कर रहे थे कि वी हैव
हाँ,
गॉन टू लॉन्च दी सैटेलाइट्स के, हमें वो मॉनसून का पता लग जाए। हम क्या कर लेते हैं यार, मॉनसून
हम
का
क्या
पता
कर
लग
रहे
भी
हैं?
जाता है
बीएमसी
तो
क्या कर रहा है?
हमारी
बीएमसी क्या कर
हमारी
रहा है फिर
फसलें
इतने
बर्बाद
सालों
हो
से?
रही हैं अभी भी, हमारे यहाँ बाढ़ें अभी
आपको
भी आ रही हैं 50 साल से,
आप,
आने वाले 50 साल
आपको
में भी
बॉम्बे
आएंगी।
का एक फन फैक्ट बताता हूँ, बीएमसी की बात करी तो भाई तेरे को पता है जो म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है दुनिया के अंदर, बीएमसी इज द रिचेस्ट वन इन एशिया।
हाँ, ये
इन
मुझे भी
एशिया
पता लगा, राइट, ये मुझे
अब
कुछ दिन
सुनो
पहले
सुनो
पता
सुनो
लगा,
सुनो,
राइट।
अब एशिया में कौन कौन सी सिटीज आती हैं भाई? टोक्यो आता है एशिया में, दुबई आता है एशिया में, सिंगापुर आता है, हांगकांग आता है, मुंबई का नंबर 1
रिचेस्ट
है। और
कौन है?
मतलब देखो,
मुंबई, राइट, देखो रिचेस्ट कौन है? मुंबई,
मतलब
वाह।
देखो कि यार,
और हमारे देश की फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल है वो, जो बोला
हाँ
जाता है।
भाई अंबानी वहीं रह रहा, पता नहीं कौन कौन, वो सब तैर तैर के जा रहे हैं नाव में।
हाँ,
ये मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा, ये कौन सा बॉम्बे है जहाँ पे अंबानी के घर बाढ़ नहीं आ रही, लेकिन वो जहाँ तुम्हारा दूसरा पता नहीं कौन सा जहाँ पे आ जाती है, कौन सा है ये बॉम्बे? मैंने तो नहीं सुना कभी दीपिका पादुकोण का पैर उसमें गिर गया हो कभी किसी कीचड़ में जो बाढ़ आई है। मतलब आई एम वेटिंग टू हियर सच न्यूज। मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा, कभी रणवीर सिंह फंसाओ, वो तो वैसे
यार
आधे अधूरे कपड़े पहनता
अरे
है,
वो
बहुत दिन देखा था।
अरे
I
वो साउथ बॉम्बे में रहते हैं यार।
तो इधर क्या
हाँ,
नॉर्थ बॉम्बे में दिक्कत है? क्यों नहीं करते? बढ़ाते
हाँ,
बनाते क्यों नहीं? सही क्यों नहीं
तो
करते?
क्यों हो गरीब? तुम गरीब क्यों हो?
अगर वो
क्यों हो?
रिचेस्ट म्युनिसिपल है एशिया की, तो वो क्या कर रही है?
यार मैं बताता हूँ क्या है प्रॉब्लम,
वो
क्यों इसलिए
चादर
नहीं
तान के
बनाते।
सो गई।
वो इसलिए नहीं बनाते क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि हम मराठू मानुस के नाम पे, बाल ठाकरे के नाम पे, हम हिंदू के नाम
हाँ
पे वोट ले
बस
लेंगे और
करने
पब्लिक
के
हमें
बस
दे
अब
देगी।
पुरोहित एक
बस
मिनट एक मिनट,
तो उन्हें
पुरोहित
बस
क्या
चाहिए
बोल
ही
रहा
नहीं
था?
कुछ
बिल्कुल
यार।
सही,
यानी यही
बिल्कुल
सुन सुन
सही।
पुरोहित,
जिस दिन
यानी यही
नाली के
बोला
नाम पे
कि
वोट मिलेगा ना, एक एक नाली
फ्लॉड
देश की तुम्हें बनी
डेमोक्रेसी,
पाएगी।
इम्पिच्योर डेमोक्रेसी
बिल्कुल
यहीं पे प्रूव होती है कि वो उसी को जिताते हैं मराठी मानुस, वो चाहे
बस
कुछ ना करें। वो डूब जाएंगे, मर जाएंगे, लेकिन जिताएंगे उन्हीं को वो।
अभी what qualification this idiot Aditya
और
Thackeray has got
और
to become in the cabinet
यही
of Maharashtra?
और
Tell
यही
me.
डेमोक्रेसी फेल हो जाती है, जैसे मैंने पाकिस्तान का
अरे
एग्जांपल
ऐसे
दिया
तो
वहां।
कितने सारे लीडर्स हैं जो होने ही नहीं
हाँ,
चाहिए, उनके लिए कोई पढ़ाई नहीं है। तू और मैं 16 साल
तो
पढ़ाई करने के बाद भी आज कोई कहाँ बैठा है, कोई कहाँ बैठा है, अभी भी जूझ रहे हैं कई लोग तो।
तो
बिहार
वही
की
है,
ऐसी हालत क्यों
that's
है?
the point यार. Point वही है
बिहार
सारा
की इतनी
कि
बुरी हालत क्यों है? फेल डेमोक्रेसी।
हम जब अपने जो नीड्स है ना, जब हमारी नीड्स नंबर 1 हो जाएंगी। अभी मैं अभी कुछ तो राम मंदिर के उस पे आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग समथिंग ऑन अ सोशल मीडिया, तो किसी ने मुझे बोला लेट्स जस्ट कीप द दीज टू थिंग्स अवे सेपरेटेड। तो मैंने उसे एक ही चीज बोली कि जब तक हमारी कंट्री में इन दो चीजों को, बच्चों के स्कूल फीस पे डिबेट कर रहा था मैं कहीं, तो कि जब तक आप उसको और राम मंदिर को सेपरेट रखेंगे ना, तब तक आपके देश का कुछ नहीं हो सकता। रीजन बीइंग, आपको अपना जो योगी आदित्यनाथ है, अगर आप उस पर कंप्लेंट लेके जा रहे हैं, तो वो आपको ही कैन नॉट गेट अवे सिंपली बिकॉज उसने भूमि पूजन कर दिया। आप उसको बोलो हमें भूमि पूजन से कोई मतलब नहीं है, तू पहले ये बता हमारे बच्चे की फीस माफ होगी कि नहीं होगी कोरोना में। जब तक वी विल
बिल्कुल।
वी हैव लर्न दिस क्लासिकल आर्ट ऑफ स्वीपिंग थिंग्स अंडर द कारपेट कि कोई बात नहीं, राम मंदिर
और
बन रहा
यार
है ना, वी एज अ हिंदू वेरी प्राउड, नाउ डोंट वरी, अगर वही हमारे जो है बच्चों को फीस हमें चाहे दुगनी देनी पड़े, नो प्रॉब्लम व्हाटसोएवर। मंदिर बन गया
यार
ना, वी आर वेरी हैप्पी।
एक ये ट्रेंड चला ना कि हिंदू राष्ट्र, हिंदू राष्ट्र।
यार
मुझे समझ नहीं आता
मैं
भाई।
एक इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहता हूँ उससे पहले, बिफोर वी गेट अराउंड दैट।
Guys,
so
just to
so
interrupting you again, I guess I have only 5 minutes left.
Yep,
I'll
yep.
be
So,
dropping off out.
correct.
Okay.
Well, then, so I just wanted to give you the information around the income tax, correct? So, income tax, the tax on the income, Denmark has 39.8596%. Then comes Netherlands, which is 36.55%. Estonia, which has 33. These are like the major percentage, correct? India comes way down, okay? Way down on the percentage of this, correct? On the general so now you can think about that. First, not every
इंडिया कितना
person.
परसेंट है?
इंडिया का वही देखता हूँ मैं।
एक
इंडिया
चीज
कुछ
और क्लियर
डालना
करना पुरोहित, कि ये जो तुम बता रहे हो ये मतलब
I'll-
क्या परसेंटेज, क्या इतने लोग पे करते हैं वहाँ, या क्या है ये मतलब?
नहीं, इनकम टैक्स, व्हाट इज द टैक्स
तो
परसेंटेज?
स्लैब होते हैं ना, तो ये
अच्छा,
तू
स्लैब
हाईएस्ट स्लैब
टैक्स,
बता रहा हूँ।
ओके।
इंडिया में
correct
30 है,
slab
30%। इंडिया
slab
में तो
30 is the
30%।
highest 30% है।
तो वहां पे हाईएस्ट ही होगा मेरे ख्याल। 36 इज
हाँ,
विल बी
40
हाईएस्ट यार।
नहीं 39.55 इज द हाईएस्ट। नहीं, और वही मैं इंडिया का बता रहा हूँ। इंडिया का जो इसके हिसाब से लिखा आ रहा है,
उस देश की पॉपुलेशन क्या है?
30 क्या?
उस देश की पॉपुलेशन क्या है जिसका 39 है?
39 is of डेनमार्क।
यार मेरे
अच्छा,
को लगता
ठीक
है
है।
प्रॉब्लम जो है ना, वो टैक्स स्लैब्स की नहीं है,
और
प्रॉब्लम है
नहीं
नंबर ऑफ
की नहीं है
टैक्स
भाई।
पेयर्स।
अरे
यार और
डेनमार्क
मीडियन इनकम, जो
पॉपुलेशन
उनकी मीडियन इनकम है, वो भी तो बहुत उनकी
अब
हेल्दी
तुमने
इनकम होती है।
5 लाख तक का वेव ऑफ कर दिया ऑल ऑफ अ सडन।
डेनमार्क की पॉपुलेशन है 58.1 लाख। एंड इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन तो पता ही है तुम्हें यार। दे आर वन ऑफ, वो उनकी पॉपुलेशन एक छोटे से
भाई राजीव
इंडिया।
चौक पे 50 लाख लोग।
एक मिनट, डेनमार्क का एरिया कितना है?
मेरे को नहीं पता भाई, मैं तो ये क्या
एरिया
बातें
कितना
कर
है?
रहा है यार।
अरे
उसमें से
डेनमार्क
कहेगा
का,
उसमें से यूजेज एरिया कितना है, फिर ये तू पूछेगा वो मेरे को कैसे
नहीं
पता
मैं
होगी
ये
वो
बोल रहा हूँ,
चीजें?
डेनमार्क का लैंड एरिया कितना है बताओ ना।
लैंड एरिया
अरे
दिल्ली से तो बड़ा ही होगा, 3-4
42,933 किलोमीटर्स, करेक्ट? मैं एक अपने में सबसे
ठीक है,
छोटा,
फिर इसका रेलेवेंस बता, ठीक है।
सबसे छोटा स्टेट कौन सा अपने में?
गोवा।
अपने में चल
ठीक
रहे
है।
गोवा, which is 3000। मैं एक राजस्थान का ले लेता हूँ।
राजस्थान तो बड़ा है यार।
बड़ा है।
हाँ, राजस्थान का काफी बड़ा है। राजस्थान तो
दिल्ली
वैसे-
ले लो ना
राजस्थान,
तुम,
एमपी,
दिल्ली इज अ
यूपी,
पॉइंट ऑन द
दिल्ली
मैप,
ले लो।
राइट?
हाँ, दिल्ली ले लो। हाँ,
अ,
गोवा ले लो, दिल्ली ले लो।
हाँ, इनका भी 14 है, बट मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि दे आर लाइक वन ऑफ द स्टेट्स, करेक्ट? केरला का शायद ज्यादा होगा उससे।
तो कंपेयर
पॉइंट क्या है, रेलेवेंस क्या है? आई जस्ट वांट टू नो द रेलेवेंस।
केरला इज अप्रॉक्स 38। सो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि ये जो तुम कंट्रीज बना के रख रहे हो ना, कि तुम अलग से बोल रहे हो कि वो कंट्री है, उनका लैंड मास एरिया हमारे लैंड मास एरिया से ज्यादा, उनका पॉपुलेशन हमारे पॉपुलेशन से बहुत कम है, ठीक है? तो वहां
तब
पे
भी वो टैक्स
ऑब्वियसली
ज्यादा दे रहे हैं, तुम ये कह रहे हो? तब भी ये कह रहे हो कि टैक्स बहुत ज्यादा दे रहे हैं?
हाँ, फिर भी टैक्स बहुत ज्यादा दे रहे हैं, और वो ऑलरेडी डेवलप्ड नेशन है। जब तक 2-3 प्रॉब्लम्स है हमारे में, जब तक वो नहीं होंगी, फिक्स नहीं होंगी. देयर आर प्रॉब्लम्स दैट नीड टू फिक्स, बट यू नीड टू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि इंडिया कितना बड़ा और डाइवर्स कंट्री है.
एग्जैक्टली. सातवां दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा देश है इंडिया, अगर आप लैंड के हिसाब से जाते हो.
नहीं
कनाडा
नहीं
6 नंबर
नहीं
पे ऐसा कुछ
नहीं.
है. हाँ. क्या?
इंडिया यूएस है सबसे बड़ा.
मैं कह रहा हूँ
नहीं,
इंडिया
इंडिया
7वां है. मैं
सेवन,
ये थोड़ी कह रहा हूँ कि
सेवन.
मैं
हाँ,
कब कह रहा हूँ पहला
करेक्ट
है.
अबे
करेक्ट.
यूएस सबसे बड़ा कहाँ से है बे? यूएस
यूएस
सबसे
सबसे
बड़ा
बड़ा
देश है
यूएस सबसे
लैंडमार्क?
बड़ा देश लैंडमार्क में. हाँ,
नहीं है भाई.
क्या
अबे चाइना
बात
से
कर
छोटा
रहे
भाई. यूएस चाइना से भी छोटा, कनाडा से भी छोटा है भाई. सबसे बड़ा रशिया है, फिर
हैं.
चाइना है, फिर कनाडा
नहीं
है.
नहीं. यूएस
कनाडा मेरे
यूएस ने
ख्याल से, कनाडा ऑस्ट्रेलिया
यूएस
टॉप के 5
यूएस
में
ने
आते हैं.
यूएस ने एक एरिया जानबूझ के खरीदा हुआ है, विच इज द फ्रोजन एरिया,
अलास्का. अलास्का.
अलास्का. जस्ट
उसको
इट
मिला के
गॉट इट.
भाई,
उसको
इंक्लूडिंग
मिला,
दैट. उसको
इंक्लूडिंग दैट,
मिला के.
जितना मेरे को नॉलेज है. ओके.
नहीं वो तो चलो ठीक है, ये तो अभी कीप
नहीं नहीं
दिस
नहीं,
असाइड,
यूएस
बट व्हाट्स द
चौथे नंबर पे
पॉइंट?
आता है, फोर्थ.
पॉइंट क्या है कि हमारे यहाँ, आप अगर ये कह रहे हो कि, मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप अगर ये कह रहे हो कि हमारे यहाँ टैक्स स्लैब बहुत ज्यादा है और हमारे यहाँ लोगों पे इनकम टैक्स की मार है, अगर ये पॉइंट है तो वो इस वजह से है क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ टैक्स देने वाले लोग बहुत कम है. हमारा, अब आप देखो अभी क्या हुआ, एक ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स है, अभी मैं रिसेंटली पढ़ रहा था इसको. हमारे यहाँ लास्ट ईयर तक जब अप टू 5 लाख तक, जब अप टू 2.5 लाख तक एग्जेम्पशन था और 2.5 के 5 में टैक्स होता था, तो हमारे जो नंबर ऑफ टैक्स पेयर्स थे देवर ओवर 3 करोड़. ठीक है. अब वो गवर्नमेंट ने आके अगेन अपीजमेंट या जो भी कह लो, या बजट से एक्सपेक्टेशन या ओवर एक्सपेक्टेशन, दे सेड कि अब 5 लाख तक कोई टैक्स नहीं है. अब वो नंबर ऑफ टैक्स पेयर्स कितने हो
बंदे
गए
कम
हैं?
हो गए.
आधे हो गए हैं. जस्ट टू लेट यू नो 1.46 करोड़ आउट ऑफ 135 करोड़ इज द टैक्स पेयर्स. और इसमें अभी 80-20, ये तो एक बहुत ही क्लासिकल फिलॉसफी है. इट्स इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन प्रैक्टिस एवरीवेयर. लीन है या कोई भी मेथोडोलॉजी ले लो आप साइंटिफिक, कि जहां पे 80% है ना बैलेंस में, दोज आर फेल्ड स्टेट्स. हमारे यहाँ आई कैन टेल यू विद फुल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, हमारे यहाँ 95.5 है. 5% लोगों के पास 95% पावर है. 5% लोग भी नहीं है टैक्स पेयर्स हमारे यहाँ जो जो 100% टैक्स देते हैं, तो 90 वो भी नहीं है. मतलब दैट इज
ब्लैक
द
मनी अभी भी
इकोनॉमीज
बहुत
ऑफ
बड़ा
स्केल वी आर
प्रॉब्लम है इंडिया
टॉकिंग
में.
अबाउट.
ब्लैक मनी इज स्टिल अ बिग बिग इशू.
हमारे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट
बट
हैं,
राहुल, बहुत से
कितने
सेक्शन
सारे
बहुत से
टैक्स
सेक्शन हमारे यहाँ पे वो भी है ना, जो बाहर है टैक्स स्लैब से. एग्रीकल्चर नहीं
हाँ,
है.
टैक्स
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि उनसे लेना शुरू कर दो. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि उनसे टैक्स लेना शुरू कर दो. टैक्स से वो
उनको
भी है.
रिटर्न करो ना.
हाँ, वो रहित भी है, टैक्स रहित भी है कई सारे सेक्शंस. तो अब पॉइंट ये है कि वो हमारा पॉइंट फिर भी वही सही है कि 1,35 लाख लोग, 135 करोड़ लोगों का तुम वो जो टैक्स है वो कुछ 1.5 करोड़ लोग उठा रहे हैं. तो
1%
आपको
भी
कहीं
नहीं
ना
है.
कहीं, हाँ, तो आप कहीं ना कहीं आपको वो करना पड़ेगा कि यार ये जो लोग हैं इनके के ऊपर सुरखाव के पर लग गए हैं. सबसे अच्छा, सैलरियां हमारी कम है, टैक्स हम दे रहे हैं, दिक्कत हमारे लोग बच्चे हैं, दिक्कत में हमारे बच्चे हैं. कल को पता नहीं उनको कौन सा स्कूल क्या मिलना है क्या नहीं मिलना. चलो, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि जो फार्मर्स इनको दिक्कत नहीं, लेकिन फार्मर्स में भी तो अमीर होते हैं ना, फार्मर्स में भी तो जमींदार लोग होते हैं. उन पर भी कोई
यार
टैक्स नहीं है. गरीब पर तो है ही नहीं, उन अमीरों पर भी कोई नहीं है. और ये जो 80-20 वाला रेशियो जो सौरभ कह रहा है कि हाँ, जो ये 80% लोग हैं, ये जो 20% लोग हैं जिनके पास 80% पैसा है, वो क्या, वो देश को तो वही चला रहे हैं ना यार. एलीट ग्रुप है वो तो.
हाँ,
एलीट
हम
ग्रुप
बिलो
है वो.
हम ये बात करते हैं कि बीपीएल कम हो गया है. हम ये क्यों नहीं बात करते कि जो हमारा डिफरेंस बिटवीन एलीट एंड द कॉमन मैन इज एक्चुअली वाइडनिंग विद एवरी
हाँ,
सिंगल डे. भाई अगर
इसमें
बीपीएल
पैसे
कम
की
हो,
कोई कमी नहीं है.
बात आप देखो ना,
देखो,
अगर बीपीएल आपका
हाँ,
जब तुम
कम हो
मेरे
गया
को
है तो गैप कम
maybe
होना
maybe
चाहिए ना.
maybe we'll take over as a different topic, but if you come with the numbers, no, कि रोज का मेरे को बता दो, हर सालों साल का नंबर्स अगर डिफरेंस इंक्रीज हो रहा है या कम हो रहा है, ये तुम मेरे को नंबर बता दो, आई वुड एग्री ऑन दैट. ओके.
तो
और
ठीक है,
वही
स्टैटिस्टिक्स के लिए
वही
तो
तुम
फिर अब
किसी
ये
और वही तुम किसी और कंट्री के हिसाब से बोलो. ठीक है.
यार
तुम
लाइफ का
मैं
एक्सपीरियंस
so
है यार,
so
अक्षय, लाइफ का
लाइफ का
एक्सपीरियंस है.
लाइफ
मेरे
का
को अभी भी
एक्सपीरियंस
रोड पे उतने
आप
ही हेल्पलेस लोग दिखते
नहीं
हैं जितने 20 साल
नहीं
पहले
नहीं.
दिखते थे. दैट इज
लाइफ
लाइफ फॉर मी.
लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस
इंटरप्टिंग यू गाइस, आई थिंक
we
मेरे को
will
जाना
draw
होगा.
we will draw it. Maybe I had one more topic, maybe next time. But yeah,
चल ठीक है, ठीक है.
my point of I wanted to make up a point was कि
Hmm.
see, there you can criticize. There are points that we need to criticize, but we don't have to crib about it. Correct? We need to also, there are points that we can criticize. There are also some of the points that we need to appreciate of. And I did not hear from any of us some of the points that you could actually appreciate about what we have done, okay, in this 74 years at least.
India won the World Cup twice in cricket.
73 years, sorry.
It is.
At least
It is.
we did the right thing
Maybe
to
अब
at least
again यार the
to
point
grow
was
to
अच्छी
grow
चीजों के
few
बारे में तो
industries
आप
like
again यार सही वही बात है,
like
अच्छी
IT.
चीजों के बारे में तो आप बात करते ही हो, राइट? The whole point was कि अब
अच्छी
इसमें आप
चीजों के बारे
बैलेंस
में
क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो, राइट? अब we all started by saying कि इंडिया कहाँ से कहाँ आ गया, we have grown in size, we have grown in sport, हमने वो सारी बातें की, but the real issue ये है कि अगर हम जैसे लोग उनके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे और thoroughly discuss नहीं करेंगे, then forget about कि कोई और करेगा यार।
यार मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, तुम बात करो, बट
रणदीप जाना
एक
फिर
बार हाँ
मेरे
रणदीप
को
को
जाना
आएगा
है, हाँ हाँ
हाँ
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
stop
मेरे को
this
जाना।
specific
रणदीप
बनाना
Okay,
possibly
हाँ
guys,
you can
catch you next week.
yeah
See you later.
चल
next
thanks
week
for coming
Bye.
thank you
Thanks for having me on the show, guys. Thanks for having me
thank
no
on the show.
problem man
Bye-bye.
thank
All
you
right,
Bye-bye.
see you around.
you. Yeah,
Yeah, say, catch you later. Bye-bye.
yeah
I'll stop the recording.
so anything else you need to discuss?
I think I had a point, but it's almost 1.5 hours. So
Okay guys, so it was a great discussion.
yeah.
We
So
talked about a lot
what
of points. So what's the conclusion? Where are we?
what I believe is that there are things that we really need to criticize about. There are a lot of things,
Yeah.
like what you talked about media, you talked about being secular, like how we had a Bangalore riots, correct? And then there are many things that are there in India which are there to criticize. But I think we should also appreciate and not crib about everything that there is nothing about that.
Yeah.
If you can find up a solution, it's good. Don't crib. Find up a solution that would be much more better.
I think we have done a few great things as well. Like we have developed our homegrown IT industry,
Mhm.
which is widespread throughout the world.
Correct.
So in now India like known as a IT powerhouse. So it's a great thing, and it's a I guess it's a great label because before that, if you remember during 80s or 90s, the world used to call us land of snake charmers or those kind of things.
Mm.
But that has been transferred. That has been transformed as a IT powerhouse. So that's why I also believe the role of space missions and these kind of technological advancements. These things help to be in the mainstream world.
Correct. That's totally true. I totally agree that technology we have advanced far in the number of years that we have done. That's beautiful actually. And yeah, many much more things. There are things I believe that we would also have to improve. Cricket, yeah. How can we talk about cricket? Yeah,
Even
people
cricket
from
में भी
India.
वो expectation और reality
क्रिकेट में
वाली
यार
बात
मुझे नहीं
मतलब
लगता हमने
Correct.
कुछ खास किया है यार, इन
हमने
ऑल
कुछ खास
फेयरनेस
नहीं किया
आई
जिस
डोंट
हिसाब
थिंक
से
यार
होता
हमने
है
कुछ किया है।
Correct.
ये सिर्फ
Still
एक
हम
हमने एक
ज्यादा
वर्ल्ड
कुछ नहीं
कप, एक आईसीसी ट्रॉफी, सॉरी 2 वर्ल्ड
भी
कप, एक आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीता है, एंड दैट इज ऑल वी हैव डन।
यार
ठीक
वो
है,
वर्ल्ड कप में हमें पता है 28 सालों इतनी मेहनत से इतनी लोग रोने लग गए थे पता नहीं क्या क्या घर
वो
वर टूट गए
again we'll talk
इतनी
about
मुश्किल
like
से
sports as a whole, as a 1 hour, in maybe one of the debates ki why we are not a great sporting nation or are we a great sporting nation. We can have a separate debate because I don't think but again, IT is good, technology is good, our culture, our food, our people, our artists, all of that is a really good stuff.
Correct.
And after all we are a 1.335 billion people of diversity, which is everyone should be proud of, and that's why we are talking about it so passionately. But what I'm saying is that the basics for the
Even
common man
मैं
who's living in the country, that needs to be
नहीं,
sorted, and that's all.
वो सब बातें हमने कर ली नेगेटिव्स की लेकिन मैं इसमें एक और पॉइंट रखूंगा बॉलीवुड को अभी हम बहुत क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं लेकिन मैं बॉलीवुड का एक पॉजिटिव पॉइंट रखता हूँ कि भाई हमारे पास इंडिया के पास अपनी एक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है हम
पहचान
अपने
है,
लोगों
we
को
have
देखते हैं
identity.
हमारी भी एक पहचान है मतलब कैसा लगता है कि तुम कोरिया की मूवीज देख रहे हो उसमें तुम्हारा कुछ रिलेशन नहीं है बस तुम देख रहे हो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए क्योंकि
और क्या
तुम्हारे पास
उनका
कोई
base
इंडस्ट्री नहीं
कितना
है
है, what is their
हाँ
like viewership stake?
so it's a big thing that we have our own industry who can make movies like more than anyone else in the world.
And just one point, India does not have one in the movie industry. India has 6 or 7 of them, and
I
which
know.
are actually also doing good in their own general thing. And we actually watched up a movie which was
It's a
such a great
audience
movie.
based.
Yeah, audience based. But our Bollywood is compared to sometimes, we are not compared to sometimes with Hollywood, but it is just a great business. And people from all over the world are actually watching some of the Indian
No, I'm
movies.
not talking about the quality of work we do in
Correct,
Bollywood.
correct.
I'm just talking about
It's
in terms
outreach.
of entertainment,
It's
the
outreach.
kind of
Correct,
entertainment they provide to the masses in the regional
correct,
areas.
correct.
Because अगर तुम उनको इंसेप्शन दिखाओगे उनको नहीं समझ में आएगा उनको भाई चाहिए वो तो
Correct.
they are providing they have the
चाहिए.
audience.
Correct.
Exactly. Because when Bollywood tries to make something like that, they miserably fail, because again they majority of the industry is aimed
Yeah.
towards specific entertainment quotient.
Totally.
तो अभी वो स्टार्ट हुए हैं धीरे धीरे आना देखो.
With that, let's end.
I think should wrap up
Absolutely.
now.
Let's wrap.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right,
for
guys.
coming.
Yes,
Thank you
you're
very
on.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
See you around
Great
again.
talk.
Thanks.
Bye.